For the first respondent, we have Mr. Mongela and Ms. Omondi. Yes. That's for the first, second, and third respondent. While for the fourth respondent, we have Mr. Gachagua and Dr. Kamotho.
I'm present, my lord.
And Ms. Migwi. Thank you. My lord, we are bringing 5 witnesses.
Habari yako?
Salama sana.
Utatumia lugha gani?
Both English and Kiswahili.
Chagua moja.
English. Yeah.
Pick the Bible behind you. Pick the Bible behind you. The blue one. The blue one. Lift you. Right hand. I swear by the name of the Almighty God.
I swear by the name of the Almighty God
that the evidence I shall give before this court.
That the evidence that I shall give before this court
shall be the truth.
Shall be the truth.
Nothing but the truth.
Nothing but the truth.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Good morning, Mr. Witness.
Good morning.
Introduce yourself by name.
I am Dan Degwa Masharia.
Where do you live?
I live in Laikipia County, Olmoran.
What do you do in Moran, your country for a living?
I am a businessman.
Now, Dan,
Yes.
what was your role in the MBEERE North constituency by-election for the 27th of November 2025?
I was an agent for Safina Party in Getibori polling station.
Do you remember the number, how many polling stations were there?
There were 2 streams, stream 1 and stream 2.
Which of the 2 streams were you serving as an agent?
I was in stream 2.
Were you issued with a letter of appointment?
Yes, I was issued with a letter of appointment by the party.
Dan, I have a letter here.
Yes.
At page 42 of the petitioner's document.
Yeah.
Do you recognize the contents of that letter?
Yes.
Is this the letter that you are offered?
Yes.
As your letter of appointment?
Yeah.
Would you wish to have it produced as your exhibit in this zone of the court?
Yes.
In this case?
Yeah.
Your Lordship, you are referring to page 42 of the petitioner's document. It's handwritten 42. Yes, Your Lordship. Dan, did you also file a witness affidavit?
Yes, I did.
Do you recognize this document? Is this your signature at page 41?
Yes.
Would you wish to have the same considered as by court as the evidence in chief?
Yeah.
Your Lordship would wish to have this witness affidavit adopted as evidence in chief of this particular witness. It runs from page 38 to 41. Bonadan,
Yeah.
what time did you arrive at Getibori polling station 1, polling station 2?
I arrived at around 6 a.m.
Did you sign on the polling station diary?
I signed.
Do you remember the name of the presiding officer of the polling station?
Madam Kamau. Kamau. Yeah.
You are aware that one Lydia Kamau saw an affidavit before this honorable court?
Yes.
And she has annexed a polling station diary containing names.
Yes.
At page 250 of the first to third respondent's documents, do you find your name there?
Yeah. Dandego Macharia. I'm there. Safina Party.
Very well. Dan, when did the polls close?
It closed at 5 p.m.
My apologies, Your Lordship. I'm referring to the first to third respondents' IDEX documents.
Yeah. Is a training attendance sheet?
Yes. It is titled Particulars of Political Parties through Independent Candidates Agents.
Francis.
With your permission, I can share the document with your assistant.
Handwritten. Is it in your trial bundle? It's not. Your bundle. So which bundle is this one?
It is Mr. Mungela's bundle, Your Lordship. Briefly, Bonadan, I would want you to explain what happened after the poll closed.
The presiding officer started preparing us for counting. And as we were arranging our chairs around the table, the deputy presiding officer wanted to light a lamp, a pressure lamp. But
Sorry, say that again. Is it a ramp or a lamp?
a lamp.
Okay.
And
Sorry, at what time was it?
after closing the station at 5 p.m. So after we were prepared, we start arranging chairs. So the deputy presiding officer was trying to light a lamp, and unfortunately it fell just next to him, and it exploded into fire, and it was now helter-skelter, running outside, screaming, and outsiders now started coming through the gate, and
Sorry? Outsiders.
outsiders now started coming through the gate, and we had a lot of people in that compound as we tried to salvage the
Bonadan, the court is writing. You might be minded to reduce the speed.
yeah, thank you. As we were trying to salvage what was inside, so a certain local using a long stick managed to remove the lamp outside, so the fire subsided inside the classroom. And
Very well, let me stop you at that. Did this fire burn anything, any poll materials?
I don't think so, because it was somewhere at a corner, a far corner.
Where were the ballot boxes?
The ballot boxes were on the table that we were preparing to start counting, just at the middle.
Were they affected by the fire?
No,
Very well. So you had reached a point where the lamp is removed?
Yeah, it was removed. We put it off outside, and so queues erupted. Locals started saying that it is outside who have burnt the classroom.
What do you mean outside ban the classrooms?
Locals, some people with clubs, booths, they claimed that those people who came from outside the BEERE North have burnt the classroom. So unfortunately, I was one of them.
Well, were these locals part of the agents, or were they part of the voting process?
They weren't. They came immediately. We started screaming. Very many people.
Can you estimate a number?
Close to 300.
300. Where were IBC officials at this time when the locals?
All of us had run outside, so it's the locals who are entering the classroom.
Did you record this incident?
Yeah, I took several videos. I took photos.
And did you present those videos?
Yes, I presented some.
Your Lordship would like to play some video clips.
This is Gachuba for the fourth respondent.
Yes.
Council wants to play some video, but I don't seem to find it in the affidavit.
The affidavit.
Yes, we have not been shown any video. Intends to play.
Council.
Yes, Your Lordship, all the videos were produced by petitioner's witness number one, the petitioner himself. And
The point is, the council is making is that this witness did not make any indication that he produced anything.
there was an,
How is it attached, that document?
it is actually attached to the petitioners.
As what?
It's in his certificate of authenticity at paragraph 9. That would be at page 36 of the petitioner's document.
Page 36.
Yes. That would be NNK 18, which he says consists of photographs, video clips depicting security lapses and failures of chain of custody of electoral abuse. Your Lordship, for the record, the petitioners refer to his agent and witnesses, which the one before you was part of.
NNK 18 is alleged to have been produced from online sources,
Yes,
not from this witness.
I'm actually getting to that, Your Lordship.
Yeah, let's deal with the question of whether this document is admissible.
That certificate that the petitioners are referring to, it actually mentions the petitioner himself as the person who recorded that video. So it cannot be played.
Where are you looking at?
The certificate, paragraph 18.
What page is it?
If you look at paragraph 18,
Paragraph?
18, my lord. 9.
18 of the
Sorry, paragraph 9.
paragraph 9.
Yes, of the certificate by the petitioner. He says he's the one who took the video. So this witness cannot play that. Paragraph 9.
I can't see where it says that.
Of the certificate, my lord. Petitioner certificate.
The company disability.
Yes.
Has 2 pages.
Yes.
And on the second page,
Yes. Paragraph
9, it says MBEERE consists of photographs, audio clips, security lapses, and failures in the chain of custody of electoral material, photographs, accessed, viewed, downloaded, and or recorded from online platforms, digital sources, using my electronic device.
Yes.
You
So
have
it's
a
not
problem,
this one, yes.
Mr. Wadita.
Yeah, my lord,
Say something on the same issue being raised by Mr. Gachagua. My lord, I've looked at the entire affidavit of this witness. There is nowhere he mentions any video, having taken any video.
Yeah.
He's trying to introduce additional evidence.
That was mentioned by Gachagua.
Your Lordship, Kiragwa Ruta,
Yes.
the petitioner testified and produced as evidence in chief his affidavit sworn on 22nd December 2025.
Very long affidavit.
Let's find it at page
Yes, I have the affidavit.
86 onwards.
Yeah.
My lord, that affidavit together with its annexures were produced without any objection.
Where is the reference to this material?
It is that paragraph. It is that paragraph 111. Paragraph 111.
As we used to check out, my lord, my name is kenyanYoutuber. As we check out what the pleadings indicate, what is the controversy? Is the controversy that he's not the one who recorded the video, or controversy that he cannot rely on the video that has been produced by the petitioner? But we understand, because the certificate will only relate to the question of the recording. So what is the actual controversy that Mr. Gachagua finds in him relying on a video that has already been produced? What's the actual controversy?
What is the controversy, Mr. Gachagua?
My lord, the issue was that the witness was being led into playing a video which he took using his own electronic
That's what was stated.
Yes. But there's no evidence.
I took some video clips which I can show. That's what
Yes,
I
yes.
recorded. I don't always record the exact ones. That's what I recorded. So if there's a video clip that he took, that's the one I would like to see. Or else he would have to retract that kind of evidence.
Yeah, very well, my lord. And that's the basis that I was laying. This video, together with others, they are all here, were produced by the petitioner without any objection. So they are already part of the record, they are part of the evidence. And even the documents, leave alone videos, documents which have been produced by other witnesses, subsequent witness can refer to them, just in the way we have referred to Mongela's documents. So this is evidence that's already on record, and he's saying I'm the one who recorded. It was produced with no objection. So he's saying, let us go to that evidence that is already on record, and I want to demonstrate something using it. This witness can even come and talk about the voters register, which is not him who made or produced.
No, I don't have a problem with what you're saying.
Very well.
My problem is that he took some videos. I've been trying to find out whether they are videos he took.
But I can see the
And they're already on record. They already produced.
No. The council. He said he took some video clips which I can show.
Yes.
There's nowhere he alleges to have taken video clips. Is there a place where he has alleged?
Very valid. Very valid.
us. What we can do is habit.
It's your case.
Yes,
It's your case.
Just like to the affidavit.
It's your case.
Absolutely. Your Lordship, I wish to reframe the question. Mr. Witness, do you remember, or rather, the petitioner has, amongst many other evidence, stated that he brought before this honorable court some video clips and photographs depicting lapse of security lapses and failure in the chain of custody of electoral materials. Would you wish for the court to review that?
Yeah, I would wish.
Very well. Your Lordship, if allowed, I'll be happy to play the video for ease of reference.
He is now relying. I wish to rely on videos produced. Petitioner paragraph what?
That would be paragraph 9 of his affidavit on certificate accompanying the admissibility of electronic evidence. And as well as paragraph 111 of his affidavit.
This witness is with affidavit number 50. Page 50. Paragraph, page 38.
My apologies, Your Lordship. It is the affidavit of the petitioner that we are referring to, page paragraph 111.
Where does he get in this in relation to his own affidavit? Where does he find his footing?
I'll actually articulate in a short while, Your Lordship. I actually note that it has taken a little bit of time. I'll get to his particular, the harbor of that in his own affidavit in a short while. Meanwhile, I can move on to the next issue.
Does he talk about the fire?
He talks about the fire. Sorry. My Lord Kirabuabuta.
Yes.
My Lord, whether there was fire is an admitted fact.
Does he talk about it?
Yes.
Does he place himself in proximity to the fire?
Yes, at paragraph 6, Your Lordship. Paragraph 6 in page 39 of the witness affidavit.
That the falling lantern immediately triggered a fire which I could.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So you actually found in yourself in respect to the fire at paragraph 6.
Yes. It follows. It's very chronological. With your permission, I may play the
Yeah,
video.
what I've recorded is as follows.
Yes, Judge.
Shown paragraph 6 of the affidavit, it says, I saw the fire.
Very well.
The petitioner produced a video of it, the fire, in paragraph 111 of his affidavit.
Yes, Judge.
That's the only way I can get you in there.
Very well. Thank you so much for your guidance. Justice, Justice. Mr. Witness, I would want you to confirm something at the feet of the gentleman in black trouser. Do you see anything like smoke? Yeah, there is the lamp. But very well thrown out. Okay. Very well. You can play.
Yes.
Yes, once again, we find ourselves having an issue. Adrian, for the fourth respondent, find ourselves in some confusion. We are not able to tell the language in which position is being conducted, and we do not have any sort of translation. Strange, vehemently object that video doesn't meet the threshold criteria used as evidence.
Degwa, in my view, my lord, with regard to the submissions made by my lord, Dr. Kamodo, but the question would be the probative value attached to the video, but not the question of admissibility. Admissibility has been certified under Section 106 of the Evidence Act. The question that, my lord, is what probative value will the court place on that particular video? So, my lord, the question of the probative value will be left to the evaluation of the court and make up submissions on it, my lord, at the most appropriate time.
Just to add one more sentence. Dr. Kamodo seems to be objecting to the production of that clip. But it's already happened. And there has no application for expungement. So, what you should be seeking is that translation. This court, there is a translation. So, speaking to this video, yeah. If you make an application, at least there's no in case with these documents
Adrian, for the respondent, that is now the pitfall that unfortunately the petitioners will find itself by trying to rely on evidence simply because it was annexed by another witness. It is easy to recall that the video was never played by the person who claimed or who annexed the certificate, and therefore there was no opportunity that ever arose for us to discern the contents. Now that they have played that video today, and it is not in any of the official languages used by the courts, it behoved them to have attached a translation way before the trial process commenced. So therefore, it's not a question about the probative value because there is none, especially if it is not possible to apprehend the content. Because the key features of a video is both the element, the audio element, and also the graphics. So if one of the two is not sufficiently provided for, then that material becomes incapable of being utilized by the Honorable Court.
Actually, Mr. Kamoto, you really answered the question.
You said, that's because
Answer that.
is that correct?
I don't speak.
You don't speak.
And what is going on? We're having problems today. There is no certificate of translation that should have been provided by the party that wishes to rely on it. But beyond that, Mr. Kamoto, these documents, that's the ground. You had access to them throughout the period from when we had a preliminary meeting. No objections were raised. No objections. You actually said we have not seen the videos. There was a lot of exchange. So these documents are all part of the evidence of the court, as it is now. It is true, I agree with you, that the witness who produced them did not play them. Does that prevent them being played by their court records?
Doesn't prevent.
Yeah. So just sit down. Let me finish what the thought is coming to. You said that because it's not in, you cannot appreciate the content because the graphics are part of it all. Right? Graphics and the words will go together. I think that's a question of probative value. How useful is this evidence going to be? Not whether it should be. I think it's a question of submissions on value. Whether I should even take 2 cents worth on it or not. Not whether or not it can be before me.
In that case, then we can allow the evidence to be read.
Let the evidence be led. You have a
Then
lot.
we can
It's a minefield.
take a position once the witness has been handed over to us.
Yes, exactly.
Thank you, Your Lordship, for your Solomonic guidance. I'll proceed to.
Is that video finished?
Yes, it's finished.
Or just play it again.
It's a 27-second video.
Just play it again. Let me see what.
Mr. Witness, I'm sure you've been able to interact with the video.
Yeah.
Who are those people in that video?
They are just locals who ran in when we screamed.
Locals.
Local.
Mr. Witness, in your paragraph 7 of your statement, that is at page 39, you refer to approximately 300 men.
Yeah, men and women.
Invaded the station.
Yeah.
Did you equally record that? Or rather, was that, you are aware that that video was produced
Yes.
by the petitioner?
Yes.
I'll be playing that in a short while. Meanwhile, when all this Itupeni, all that, when all that is happening, where were the ballot boxes?
The ballot boxes were still in the classroom, and locals were trying to salvage them.
Just pause for a moment. You said where were the ballot boxes?
They were still in the classroom, polling station 2.
Just hold. There are 2 polling stations. Where were the ballot boxes in polling station 1?
They were still in polling station 1.
Where were the ballot boxes in polling station 2?
Still in the classroom.
Very well. As we, how long? Okay, did they continue remaining in the classroom, or are they?
Yeah, they remained there for a while. Then locals managed to salvage them.
Who were in the classroom accompanying those boxes?
At that time, there was no one.
Where were the IEBC officials? Were they in the classrooms?
No, we were outside.
No.
They were outside.
IEBC officials first.
They were outside.
Yes.
Yeah.
Where were the agents?
I being one of them, we were outside too.
So who was in the classroom with
The
the ballot?
locals trying to salvage the boxes.
The locals. How long did this scuffle ensue? How long did this take place?
Roughly 30 minutes.
With the ballot boxes still inside the classroom?
Yeah.
I would like to play you a second clip. It's equally short. Just pause. Just pause. Pause. Are you able to identify anyone in this clip?
Yeah, the presiding officer, Madam Kamau, I've seen her there, the deputy presiding officer. Yeah.
How about these other people in civilian clothes?
They were locals who just came in
How did you identify the IEBC officials?
because they were clad in reflectors.
Very well.
Yeah.
I can also see there is a vehicle in that video.
Yes.
What was the purpose of that vehicle?
That vehicle had been stationary there for the whole day, and that is where the locals took the ballot boxes after salvaging them.
Sorry, just a second. What did you say about the vehicle?
It had been stationary there for the whole day. It was just there throughout from morning.
And then what was taken there?
After locals salvaged the ballot boxes from the burning classroom, they took them into that vehicle.
Okay.
Very well. Mr. Witness, you said you identified 2 IEBC officials.
Yeah.
As at this time when this video is being taken, where were the ballot boxes?
They were inside that vehicle.
Were the IEBC officials inside that vehicle from the video?
No, they took a police officer to announce wako wapi hawa PU.
Oh,
They are nowhere.
okay, we had that from the video. So
Yeah.
were the IBC officials in that? Was there IBC officials in that vehicle?
There was no one in that vehicle.
From the time when the lamp exploded up to this point where the IBC officials are summoned into the vehicle, how long? What was the estimation of time?
About 30 minutes.
Very well. What ensued thereafter? In a brief.
Within no time, I recognized CS Roko and his
Please explain, what do you mean by CS Roko?
he's a CS in the government.
You mean cabinet secretary?
Yeah,
Very well.
cabinet secretary. I recognized him among the locals, and he took charge and commandeered us for about 20 other minutes.
What do you mean by commandeered? What did he do?
He was just nyinyi kujeni hapa, mumetoka nje, and I tried to protest because I was an agent. I produced my agent letter, and at one point he told me, ongea Kimbere nijue wewe ni wa hapa. And since I couldn't speak Kimbere, he told a man who was next to him, weka huyu pingu. So I was handcuffed.
Where were you taken after that? Or rather, what happened after
I
that?
remained there standing, and the CS just held me by the shoulder. Nimesema uketi chini. With his hate, he forced me down and I sat on the dust. So I remained there for like 20 minutes, sitting on the floor.
Very well.
On the floor,
On the dust.
outside or inside?
Yeah, outside the classrooms.
When all this is happening, where were the IEBC officials within these 20 minutes when you are being commandeered?
They were being called by the police. Rudini kwa gari, chukueni masanduku mpeleke kwa darasa muhesabu kura, some things of the sort.
Did they indeed obey that command by the police?
Yes, after some time they came and they started removing the ballot boxes. While I was still sitting there, they took them to polling station 1. And I protested still in handcuffs. Kwa nini mpeleke darasa moja, kura za darasa mbili? And
Kidogo, I want you to clarify that. What do you mean kupeleka darasa moja? Kura darasa mbili?
they decided they count the votes in one classroom, polling station 1.
You mean they combined?
They combined both polling station into one classroom.
Okay.
And when I tried to protest, that is when the CS commanded peleka yeye kwa gari ya polisi. I want him in the police station.
Ole sana. What happened after that? Were you taken into a police station?
I was taken to the vehicle. We remained in the vehicle for over 2 hours, handcuffed. And I was taken to police station at around 8 p.m. But they never drove me into police station. They handcuffed me. They removed the handcuffs and told me that I was a persona non grata in MBEERE constituency. Uende kabisa. So I just ran away.
Just kidogo. Who told you you are a persona non grata in MBEERE constituency?
CS Roko had told me that at the polling station, and the policeman who removed my handcuffs also told me that wewe hutakikani kuonekana MBEERE. So I just called my driver, and at around midnight, my driver was in Ishara. At around midnight, he came, picked me, and I arrived in Olmoran in the morning.
So you went.
I just
where
took
you-
off.
Were you ever charged, booked into a police station?
I wasn't booked.
Were you ever charged in any court?
I wasn't charged.
Have you reported the incidences you referred to where you were assaulted to any police?
As per the law, I understand that I was supposed to report to Siakago police station, but since fear was instilled in me, I think I saw no need. I just went home.
Very well. Did you sign a Form 35A at the tail end of the elections, at the tail end of the counting and tallying?
I didn't, since I was in a police vehicle. So they counted when I was not there.
You are aware that IEBC has brought in a presiding officer by the name who says there is a Simon Namu who signed as an agent of
I don't know. Since I was a Safina agent.
Did you ever interact with a Simon Namu as an agent of any of the political parties?
No. In that police station, we were only 2 men. That police station 2.
Very well. Mr. Witness, please confirm from that story you have given, would you consider the elections in the polling station as having been accurate, secure, transparent, verifiable, and free of intimidation or violence?
Never.
I'll hand over the mic to my learned colleague.
I'll just ask you 2 or 3 more questions in respect to the evidence you've given. When you speak about explosion, what do you exactly mean?
I mean when the pressure lamp,
You mean that
it exploded into big fire. In fact, it caught the ceiling.
Okay, what time was it?
It was immediately after closing the station. Let's say 5:15, something like that. 5:10, 5:15 there.
What was the nature of the lighting? Was it dark at that time? Was it the sun still shining?
It was still.
It was 5 o'clock, right?
It was 5. It was during the day. But the classroom was a bit dark, so we needed that lamp to count the votes.
What do you mean the classroom was dark? The classroom was not
Initially, in the evening, when counting votes.
So are you saying it was necessary for the lamp?
Very, very necessary for security in case the lights went off.
Again, let me take it again. How many sources of lights were present in that particular polling station?
Electricity, and now we wanted the second source of light. That is the lamp.
Was the electricity on?
Yeah, it was on.
Who directed the on that lamp?
Madam Lydia told the deputy presiding officer to light the lamp. In case of anything, we shall be having light.
Did you witness the burning of a leather bag, a pullover, and a mobile phone?
I didn't.
Did you witness the burning of some forms?
I didn't.
I will refer you to paragraph 13 of Lydia's affidavit. Right?
Yeah.
Please, Mr. Witness, read paragraph 13 of that affidavit.
That during the incidents, some personal items, leather bag, pullover, and partly the mobile phone belonging to the presiding officer were burnt. The phone was still functional when even after the fire incidents. No injury occurred or was reported during the incident.
Were you present all through?
I was present.
Did you witness that again?
No.
Did you witness the presiding officer calling the police?
I didn't witness.
Read paragraph 14.
That immediately at about 5:35 hours, I telephoned Siakago police station using my mobile phone number, so and so, and reported the incidents which was booked under that file. And since the cause of the fire could not be immediately established, the matter was recorded under pending investigations.
So she says that the source of the fire could not have been known. Do you know the source of the fire?
Yeah, I know. I was there.
Let us look at a annexure marked as LMK2, which is a Polls Day diary. Look at the final entry. My lord, I'm looking at page. Three 331. Look at the entries at 331 of the Polls Days diary. What is the incidents being marked?
Gas cylinder exploded and some of the foam were burnt.
Some of the forms were?
Burnt.
Did you witness the burning of those forms?
I never.
Which forms were burnt? Are you aware?
I don't.
Did the presiding officer inform you as agents that there were some forms that were burnt?
I wasn't in the classroom when they counted.
No, I'm not asking about the counting. This is incidents before the counting as recorded, correct?
Yeah.
Did the presiding officer inform all the stakeholders at that particular time that there were some forms that were burnt?
I don't remember.
Do you have any reason to doubt this statement?
Yeah, I have
No,
reason.
I'm asking, do you have reason to doubt the entries? Just read the entry. Do you have reason to doubt what she has said?
I can't doubt about the cylinder exploding.
Just confirm that they're saying, look at this time. When is this incident taking place? 7:30. Now, what is the final action taken? You are able, Mama Lord, we are getting it from the PSD, the Polls Days diary. At page
1730.
331, my lord.
31. It says 1730.
Yes, my lord. Time. But there is an alteration.
Okay, you can raise the alteration.
Yes,
just
yes,
don't
yes.
read it wrong.
Okay.
Just say it looks like 1730 or it looks like 730.
Okay.
That's what I.
What does it look like? Is it able to ascertain what time it was?
No, you can't.
Okay. But again, what is the entry of the incident?
We were able to secure the ballot papers, ballot box, keys, and some forms.
And some
Forms.
some forms. Again, confirm whether or not that this securing was done by strangers.
Yeah, it's strangers who got everything from the classroom.
And when you speak about salvaging, yes, how was the lamp gotten out from the polling station?
A certain gentleman just used a long stick and pulled it out.
And was the fire completely put out in polling 1 of 2?
Polling to, yeah, when the gas cylinder was pulled out, it fizzled.
It fizzled.
Yeah, it just fizzled automatically because it was pressure.
So was the classroom or the polling 1 of 2 still left in a functionable state?
Yeah, apart from maybe the soot on the ceiling.
Would that suit have prevented the counting of the votes and the declaration of the results at that particular polling station?
Not at all.
Would it have affected the declaration and the counting?
Not at all.
Just again, my lord, looking at paragraph 16 of the same affidavit, what does paragraph 16 indicate?
Paragraph 16, that I suspect the cause of the fire was gas leakage in the gas lamp, since the lamps in use are old, having been in use since the previous elections.
So that's the presiding officer who says that she does not even know she's suspecting, correct?
Okay.
And you confirm that somebody assaulted you, did you?
Yeah, the goons who came in clad in jembe sticks.
In which company were they?
They followed CS Roko, and so they were beating us indiscriminately. Anywhere, you just block it with your hand.
At the particular time of counting the results, where was CS Roko?
When they were starting, he was still around,
Yes.
but he left.
Yourself, did you witness the declarations of the results in those two polling stations?
No.
In your own assessment, was it necessary to combine the counting of the votes in two classrooms?
It wasn't. In fact, it is illegal.
Thank you. No further questions. We shall hand you over for cross-examination to the counsel representing the IDC, equally be cross-examined by the counsel representing the fourth respondent. Time to think about the questions that shall be posed to you.
Dan, good morning.
Good morning.
So my name is Charles Mongela, hearing for the returning officer and the IBC,
Okay.
the deputy returning officer. I sympathize with what you tell us you went through. I feel
Thank
for
you. Thank you.
I see you are representing the party called Safina, which is a party founded by Paul Muite.
Yeah.
I can see you espouse some of their values, which is about speaking the truth, isn't it?
Yeah.
And I want you to continue this way by speaking the truth. Now, you have shown us a video, or rather, a video has been shown to you of an incident relating to after the gas explosion, where the materials are the ballot box is being carried. Have you seen the ballot box?
No.
You have not. You have not seen the ballot box being carried to the kind, right? In the same video, have you seen the ballot box being carried by the locals?
No, it is not there.
It was not being carried by the locals. In fact, in that video, is the ballot box shown at all?
No.
You confirm that the presiding officer told the deputy presiding officer to put on the gas lamp as a precautionary measure so that you can have some backup lighting
Yes.
in the room.
Yes.
Have you been an agent before for any party or any
Yeah.
contestant?
Many times.
Many times.
Yeah.
You do therefore confirm that even where there is electricity, it is a standard procedure by the IBC team to require that gas lamps are lit just in case there were to be a blackout,
Yes.
to be double sure.
Yeah.
So what was happening here is not unusual, isn't it?
Yeah.
You also confirm that the gas lamp fell when the deputy presiding officer was lighting it. It fell
When he was, during the lighting.
during the lighting.
Yeah.
And thereafter an explosion occurred and fire was lit in the room.
Yeah.
A lot of fire.
Yes.
So it is more fire?
It was a big fire.
It was big fire. And because of that fire, which in your evidence you say was also spreading on the wall, people scampered out for safety out of the room.
Yes.
Everybody ran out of the room.
Yes.
You had been at the polling station from when it was opened up to this level,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
There have been any problem?
Yeah, during the day, I was still complaining. Maybe on the assisting voters.
It's okay. I was talking of the physical. It's okay. I'll come to that. Physically put it to you this way. What time was the polling station closed?
5 p.m.
5 p.m.
Yeah.
After the closure, was the ballot box sealed? It's the sealing of the aperture which we use for the voting, for inserting the ballot.
During when the fire exploded.
Not during when the fire is exploding. At the closure of the polling station.
Yeah, they closed the boxes.
The box was closed.
Yes.
The aperture was sealed.
Yes.
In your absence, in your presence.
Yeah.
And that of the other agents.
Yeah.
Right? Told my lord that there were only 2 male agents in that station, in your polling station.
Yes.
2 male agents.
Yes.
You tell
I for the Safina party, and I'm Mr. Mureithi for DP. Yeah.
you are female.
Yeah. Female. Ladies.
How many agents for Safina were there in that polling station?
I was just alone.
Not have somebody they call a reliever in case you went for a call of nature?
No.
What about the other agents? Do they have reliever agents? Did you see them?
I didn't see
When they
any.
step out, somebody else?
No,
comes
I
in,
didn't see any.
Would fought for them?
I didn't see any.
So the agent for the Democratic Party was the same one throughout.
Yeah.
There was nobody else.
Yeah.
Very well. Were you there when the video was taken? Were you there? Or did you know who took the video?
I took the video myself.
You are the one who took the video.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
Which one? Both of them. Which video are you talking about?
Everything in Getivori, it's me who took the videos.
You are the source of all these videos in Getivori.
Yeah.
I want you to confirm this with clarity. Were you an agent in Getibori 1 or Getibori 2?
Getivori 2.
Getibori 2.
Yeah.
In your affidavit, at paragraph number 2, which is in page number 38, petitioner's bundle, paragraph 2, please confirm, my lord, that you indicate that you are an agent in Getibori 1.
Maybe it is typographical.
But to confirm that that's what you say in the
That is
affidavit.
what is written there.
That is what is written.
Yeah.
Have you signed in page number 41 of that which is written there?
Yes.
That is your signature.
Yeah.
Okay. When the ballots were ultimately, the ballot box was ultimately retrieved from the motor vehicle, were you there?
Yes, I was still seated on the floor, on the dust.
You are still seated on the dust.
Yeah.
Outside the room.
Yeah, outside the room.
Outside the room.
Between the car and the polling station.
And the polling station.
Yeah.
So you could be able to see where the ballot box is being removed from.
Yeah.
It is being removed from the car.
Yeah. Yes.
As it is being removed from the car, you can see the ballot box quite well.
Yes.
You can see it.
Yes.
As the ceiling being broken.
I don't know because I was still sitting and they were just passing in a hurry.
You don't know.
Yeah.
Who is removing the ballot box from the car?
The presiding officer and his team.
The presiding officer and his team.
Yeah.
Are you at the polling station when the polling station opened in the morning?
At 6 years I was there.
You were there.
Yeah.
This motor vehicle which you say remained the whole day.
Yes.
Is it not the same motor vehicle which came with the IBC team and having delivered them remained there the whole day?
I was not there when they arrived,
Okay,
and it was a PSV matatu.
yes, I know that.
Yeah.
It was a PSV matatu. Are you aware that the IBC hires out motor vehicles for this exercise, that it does not own its own vehicles
I am
for
aware.
conducting this kind of exercise?
I'm aware.
The polling station, after the fire has exploded therein, the wall has caught the flames. How was the environment of that room? Was it smoking? Was it smoking?
No, the fire fizzled. Immediately the gas lamp was removed.
True, the fire fizzled, it went out.
Yeah.
But the remnants of that fire, including the smoke,
There wasn't.
did it go out, did it also disappear because the fire has been
There was no smoke.
You are saying after the explosion there was no smoke.
After the lamp was retrieved.
He asked about after the explosion. Did you just
The after-
follow up one question?
Yes, yes. Sorry.
After the explosion, that's
After
where I
the
was.
explosion, were there the after effects of that fire left in the room?
Just smoke at the ceiling.
There was smoke in the ceiling.
Yeah, that suit, black suit, yeah.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, suit.
That's what I'm talking about. But that kind of suit is unhealthy. To inhale that kind of suit, is it healthy? To inhale the suit which is coming out of the gas lamp explosion after effects.
It isn't, because it is just the color that changed of the ceiling.
Inhaling, remaining in the fire has been. Then inhale that fire, that smoke, as you sit there to undertake some exercise. Do you know it is unhealthy? It's unhealthy.
It's unhealthy.
It's unhealthy. Were you there when? Sorry, you say after this, all the ballot boxes were taken to stream 1,
Yeah.
polling station 1.
Yes.
All right?
Yeah.
That you never entered that stream 1 yourself.
I didn't.
You did not.
Yeah.
So you cannot be able to testify what went on there.
Yeah.
You cannot. You claim you have been assaulted
Yes.
on that day.
Yes.
Exactly where did this happen? The assaulting, where did it happen?
Outside the classroom.
Outside.
Yeah.
How far away from the classroom?
About 4 meters. Yes.
Who was assaulting you?
The locals who came in. Yeah.
The locals. Do you still have your recording device? Recording device which you claim to have used to take a video?
I still have it.
You hand it even at this level.
Yeah.
You take any video or recording when you are being assaulted or when you are being subjected to some exercise where you are claimed to have been told you are an outsider.
No.
Police officers who handcuffed you, were they in uniform?
No. They were just people accompanying the CS.
So you have no evidence, you cannot be able to say with certainty that he did these were police officers.
No.
You confirm after you have been handcuffed. This incident formally.
Yeah, I just went home.
And that to date, you have not reported.
I can't report because I know I was supposed.
You have not.
I've not. I've not.
Why haven't you reported to date?
Because I was supposed to report at Siakago, and Olmoran is far. I couldn't come back.
It's the distance which inhibited you from reporting.
And the intimidation, because it was clear that I was unwanted in MBEERE North.
See. Is it for me? Examination.
No. Yes.
Questions? When did you come to MBEERE?
I came to MBEERE 3 days earlier.
3 days before the election.
Yeah, yes.
It was
I think so.
look at your letter. When is it dated? Correctly?
19th.
Of which month?
Of November. 25.
All right. That's the day you received it.
I took it on 24th after I.
That's the date you received it.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
Where is this affidavit? I mean, sorry, not the affidavit.
It is at page 42 of the petitioner's document, my lord.
Okay, I've seen it.
So you received this letter on the 19th.
It was addressed on
You received it
19th.
on the 19th.
I received it on 24th
On
after arriving.
24th.
Yeah.
All right.
It was brought here in Embu, where I was residing by a party agent, and I was given
Who gave it to you? Is my question.
a party agent, Safina party agent.
His name, her name?
Can't recall his name. Yeah.
So you did not receive it from Lawrence Mwaniki?
Lawrence had
Yes or no?
no. Lawrence had given his agents.
When did you present it to the IEBC?
That morning.
Which
election day.
27.
Yeah.
So when did the IBC give you the badge?
That morning inside the police station.
Same morning.
Yeah.
Did you file a copy of that badge?
No.
So when did you first visit Gitibori?
Gitibori, I went there a day earlier to election to familiarize. Yeah.
The first time at Gitibori was on 26th November
Yes.
2025.
Yeah.
First time in MBEERE was 24th November.
That particular time. But I've been coming.
Just answer my question.
Yes.
What is your relationship with Mwaniki, the employer?
His agent is my friend.
What is your relationship?
But we belong to one party.
You belong to one.
Yes.
First meeting.
During that election. That campaigning time.
I'm asking you, when did you meet him?
That
The first time.
That week to election.
That very week.
Yeah.
So 24th.
Yeah.
24th of November. He seems to have written your appointment letter.
Yes.
Meaning that he knew you before.
Reference. He was referred me by his agent.
Who referred him to you?
The person who handed this letter to me.
Who referred him?
Can't recall his name.
Is he a witness in this matter?
No.
So as at 19th of November, Lawrence Mwaniki really did not know you in person.
Yes.
So he appointed a stranger.
A party member.
Correct? He appointed a stranger. His agent. Correct?
Yes.
Confirm that the letter did not state the polling station where you're going to be situated. Look at your letter. State the polling station. Let's look at your affidavit. In your exam in chief,
Police station, stream 2.
station 2. That's, what do you say in your affidavit? Paragraph 2. Station.
I yes, there earlier.
Read.
It reads stream 1, which I presume it's typographical error.
Just read the statement, please. I've not asked you to explain, I've asked you to
Dan Degwa Masharia, residing and working for in Laikipia County within the Republic of Kenya, and whose address for purposes
Let's
of
go to
this
paragraph 2. I'm interested in paragraph 2.
to that during the just concluded MBEERE North by-elections held on 27th November 2025, I was an agent for Safina Party stationed in Stream 1 of Getibori Polling Station within Nthawa Ward. I annexed here to Exhibit 1 a copy of my letter of appointment as an agent.
As per your affidavit, which is an oath, you are in Getibori Station 1.
Yeah, it reads so.
Swear a supplementary affidavit to correct what you're trying to tell us.
I don't.
So when did you realize that you're in Getibori 2 and 1?
When I went to the affidavit for the second time,
When was that? So I'm asking you. When was that?
some last month.
After it was filed,
Yeah,
2 months after it was filed.
yeah.
So you didn't go through it before you
I did, but
you saw that and you were okay with it.
I never noted.
You appreciate that the IEC or the respondents, let me put it that way, does it occur to you, respondents filed their responses based on your affidavit?
I don't know.
You don't know that.
Yeah.
Let me illustrate this to you. This presiding officer by the name Jane Karim, C bundle, page 304. That affidavit at page 304 is sworn by one Jane Karimi Duma. And she swears that she was a presiding officer for Getibori Primary School polling station. And her response, or her affidavit, is in response to your affidavit, which you swore on the 2nd of December. Right?
Yes.
And she has sworn that there was no fire in Station 1. Right?
Yes.
And in particular, you can look at paragraph 11, affidavit. I want you to read that. Please read that paragraph.
That there was no gas lamp explosion in my polling station, as alleged by Dan Degwa in his affidavit. The gas lamp explosion happened in the adjacent polling station, Getibori Primary School, polling station 2.
Right?
Yeah.
She is responding to the affidavit. It said you are in the Getibori 1. Right?
Yes.
So, do you agree then that you misled the respondents in your
I don't.
and deliberately so?
I don't. Yeah.
And you're only changing your story now after you've read the affidavit by Sunduma, which was sworn on the 12th of January 2026.
I don't.
What do you say?
I am not misleading the court.
The question is whether you have changed your testimony after reading the affidavit of the presiding officer.
No.
So which one do you want the court to go by? Your affidavit, which is under oath, or what you're saying now?
What I say now.
What you say now.
Yeah.
So do we abandon all these affidavits? The entire affidavit? Should it be are you withdrawing the entire affidavit?
Go to the rule.
I'm asking
I'm
you.
not. I'm
court is
not.
a witness.
I'm not. I'm not.
All right. So if you are not, then paragraph 2 remains as it is. So what evidence do you want the court to take? Remember, you forced us to respond to your affidavit, which you're now contradicting. Which is your evidence? Or the sworn affidavit?
I stand on what I've said.
What you have said today.
Yeah.
So are you withdrawing this affidavit?
I'm not supposed to withdraw.
Are you withdrawing it?
No.
You're not. So what do we do with your affidavit now that your testimony has changed?
It will remain.
Say what? What value is it to the court?
It is.
What value? Tell us the value.
That I was an agent at Gitibori polling station.
1.
2. No, it is not.
It's not.
Yeah.
So you want the court to take paragraph 2 as the truth, correct?
No.
It's not the truth. So are you withdrawing paragraph 2?
Yes.
Thank you. What other lie have you told the court?
I have not told any lie. Yeah.
Now, so where was the fire?
Inside polling station 2.
Polling station 2.
Yeah.
And not 1.
Yes.
Say you signed the polling station.
Yes.
For which station?
Station 2.
Station 2. All right. Now, before the fire incident, and confirm that you signed the diary at 5:30 p.m. You confirm that?
No, I don't
What
want.
time did you sign?
We signed in the morning.
I'll show you what you signed. As witness to the IBC bundle, page 329. What time did you sign? Page 329. Time did you sign? Time is 5:50.
Yeah.
Is your signature on the polling diary?
There isn't.
You just told us you signed?
Yes, in the morning we signed the.
Yes. And what time is this? What time? In the morning, in the evening?
The evening.
5:30 hours is
In the morning, sorry.
confirm that you did not sign the diary for
There
station 2.
is no signature.
So in which station were you?
To go to polling station 2.
What evidence do you have?
This page 329 is
That's the diary, my lord.
a very polling station.
Yes. That's for- So what evidence do you have for this group that you are actually two? Because your affidavit is now talking about 1, you not sign the diary for category 2. What evidence do you have that you did that station?
Indeed, we signed.
What evidence? Just show us the evidence, please.
Right now, I don't have any evidence.
So you have no evidence.
This 329 is for which polling station? Because it's not it's
Category 2, madam.
it's 329.
Yes, 329. It's part of the affidavit by part of the affidavit by starts at page 3.
So this would be station 1.
Is it 2?
Yes, station
I claim to. Confirm that there is no evidence before court to show that you are actually
Yeah.
there is no evidence. Now, assuming, as you have said, you want to retain the rest of your affidavit, assuming that you are in that station, you have a problem with the voting from 6 a.m.
Yeah. Yes.
What problem do you have?
Several malpractices. At a certain time, there is a lady who came to vote clad in a UDA leso. And I complained to the presiding officer, but it was too late. She had already voted and sent the message.
So you have said that you kept record, digital record. Proceedings. Record that voter?
I never.
You did not. Right?
It was charging.
It was charged.
Yeah.
Ready for the evening.
For the day.
All right.
Yeah.
So where did you record that?
I just complained to
Where
the.
did you record it? Question.
I never recorded, but I
You never
complained.
recorded.
Yeah.
Who did you complain to?
Presiding officer.
How?
I asked her whether it was supposed to be somebody should come with a party logo into the polling station.
All right.
Yeah.
Where is the evidence of that?
And there is no evidence.
There is no evidence.
Yeah.
Do you report to your party? Who was the chief agent for Safina?
There was a number that I was given to be calling whenever I
Who was the
see.
chief agent?
I can't remember.
That one.
There was a person you were calling through phone. Physically, I don't. I was given a number to be reporting.
All right. So that is one. Person was in party logo.
Yeah. There were people who were sitting by the door as voters were entering the classroom, and I also complained.
Did you complain
presiding officer.
In what form?
Verbally.
Verbally.
Yeah.
You recorded
No.
for your candidate? You filed your
No. No.
Yeah.
No.
You have any complaint against Leo Amalanda?
Yeah, I have. He accompanied CS Roko at around 10 in the morning, and they made a press conference outside the polling station. And I took photos of them addressing the public, standing beside each other. And
So what offense is that?
I saw it as
What
influencing,
offense is that? Just
influencing
who was influencing?
voters.
How did he do that?
Once he accompanied the CS, it sends a message
To who?
to the public that this is the man.
Did any public complain?
No,
Any voter complain?
no.
How did those incidences affect the voting? 6 and 5 p.m.
The press conference interrupted the voting system. The voting system. In fact, it stopped for like 10 minutes because people wanted to listen to the CS, and it was just too close to the classroom. Voting couldn't continue while the press conference was going on.
So even the presiding officer went to listen to the press conference.
She remained inside the classroom.
The clerks went to listen to the press conference.
The voters went.
The voters went.
Yeah.
The IBC staff was still in the station. How did that affect your candidate?
I saw it as an influence
Has
to
your candidate
voters.
filed a petition?
No.
Came to MBEERE on the 24th.
Yeah.
And you left
That
Napoli
night
on
on
27th.
27th, yeah.
And your candidate did not even know you. How did the petitioner in this matter identify for?
I don't know. I was all over the social media.
Just tell me how he identified. That's my question. How did he identify?
I don't know. Yeah.
How did he reach out to you?
I was called by a lawyer.
Petitioner.
Yeah. I don't know him, in fact. I don't know him physically. Yeah.
All right. So which lawyer called you?
Somebody come out.
Come on. Is he in the room here? In the room?
Yeah, yeah, I've seen him. Yeah, he called me.
So you did.
Your Lordship, Kiraga, I don't know whether Kamau is a witness. We have to go and respond to what is being led. As witness. Yeah, because that phone call, if there is a phone call and the witness talks about it,
But my
then the
lord,
person on the other end of the phone
I
also need to come
protest.
and give his side of the story.
I protest Mr. Watuta's style. He needs to tell us whether he's objecting. What is objecting? Just give him a style. Just to object,
It's only that when someone picks
my lord, I
a
think
story that
it's
has two
interrupting.
people, one of whom does not have the luxury of going to explain himself.
You know, Mr. Watoto, you are using your time.
Very well. Yeah, my lord, I object to that line of cross-examination that leads to include counsel as part of the evidence being given, yet counsel do not have the privilege or the luxury to go to the dock and explain themselves out. So let counsel confine himself to matters of fact, but not anything to do with the counsel.
Respond.
Again, for the respondent, it's clear the learned has sought to is just to get the identity of the person who called. That person could either be counsel or him. So it should not be an issue once identity is sought. Because identity can be anyone. It's not targeted. So there is no basis for objecting for a person who made a call, especially during
I don't need to say that, my lord, when matters such as those, when counsel communicates with a witness, his witness, or his client, that is privileged information. So if Mr. Gashufa can then leave it there, that there was a call, without going to the content of the call, then that would be enough. But delving into what were you told and all that, that one will not, that would be crossing the line. That's all.
Very small ruling. Witness may proceed to identify subject, my lord. Indeed, I'm not going to call you.
Yeah.
And not the petitioner. The petitioner never sought you.
You've never talked.
You don't even know him.
I don't know.
And your party has no complaint. Please confirm that between 6 and 5 p.m., petitioner, Newton Kariuki.
I never saw him.
Let's go to paragraph 9. Certificate.
I confirm.
It's at page 39 of the petitioner's document.
Paragraph.
Paragraph 9 reads
Yes.
that I came to learn that according to them, an outsider was anyone.
No.
Affidavit starts at page 35 to 37.
I apologize, it's 36.
Showing paragraph 9.
Yes. So now that you confirm that it's wrong,
Yes.
and not yourself.
Yes.
Thank you.
That NNK 18 consists of photographs and video clips depicting security lapses and failures in the chain of custody of electoral materials, which photographs and video clips were accessed, viewed, downloaded, and or recorded from online platforms and digital sources using my electronic devices.
So Kariuki is saying he used whose electronic device? Whose device is he using?
He downloaded
Using whose device?
his.
His device.
Yeah.
It does not say it was recorded by or using your device.
Yes. Yeah.
See the model, make,
No.
the device?
No.
There's no serial number of the device.
Yes.
So now that Riga says that he recorded the video that
He downloaded. I've read he downloaded.
does he say where he downloaded from?
Social media and other platforms.
Social media.
Yes.
So the source was not you.
The source was not my. It was my device, but he downloaded it.
Where do we find that?
I had given it to newsrooms, several.
Where do we find your device?
It is not indicated.
Do you
Yeah.
have a certificate of your own?
No.
Now, you have shown us that clip.
Yes.
And smoke.
Yes. That was the cylinder, the lamp cylinder.
How do you identify the cylinder from that clip? See it. Once again.
pressure lamp, green, green in color.
How do you know it is from that video?
It's very visible.
All right. And when that fire erupted or happened, you say you screamed.
We screamed, yes.
Talking about you.
Yeah,
You also screamed.
yeah.
What did you expect by screaming?
Calling for attention from the policemen who are outside, and it is just a way of alerting people there is danger.
All right. So
Yeah.
you're alerting people so that they can do what?
Rescue, rescuation.
People that you attracted respond to your distress call.
Yeah, they came.
They did.
Yeah,
They screamed.
Yeah.
And you screamed.
yeah.
So then the locals you're blaming were not at fault. They were only coming to rescue you. Correct?
Yes.
They rescue the situation?
They did.
They did. To go out the fire?
Yes.
The room.
Yes.
Do you confirm that the ballot box remained intact?
Yeah, they remained inside.
Intact. That's my question.
Yes.
They were intact. So you're confirming that the fire did not consume the ballot box.
It never.
It did not.
Yeah.
You're also confirming that by the time the fire happened, the ballot box had already been sealed.
Yes.
It had been sealed. I think it should be. If you don't mind. Herman. What have you said? So that I don't repeat.
You asked him whether the ballot boxes had been sealed.
Okay.
The ballot boxes remained intact. The fire did not consume the boxes. The ballot boxes had been sealed.
All right. Thank you, my lord. Now, Bwana Macharia,
Yes.
did you seal the ballot box on behalf of Safina? Did you put a seal on the ballot
Yeah,
box?
we
You
put
did.
seal. Yeah, I did.
You did.
Yeah.
What was the serial number that you?
Unless
on the-
unless I check on my phone.
You did not give us the details.
Yeah.
All right. So when the ballot boxes were opened, were you there? Are you
No,
present?
I was not there.
You are not present.
Yeah.
So who witnessed the opening of the breaking of your seal?
Safina party had no representative.
There was no representative.
Yeah.
All right. But you also don't have any details about this
Yeah.
seal that you put.
Yeah.
All right. Now, I showed you the diary, the voting diary, I mean the poll station diary, which you confirmed that you did not sign.
Yeah.
You remember that?
Yes.
And that's still your answer that you did not sign.
Yeah.
Now, go to paragraph 3 of your affidavit. 3, please, affidavit. Yes. Please read that paragraph.
That voting took place in a classroom and the process commenced at 6 a.m. Upon entry, I signed the relevant polling station diary. Voting closed at 5 p.m. and the presiding officer began instructing us on how to count the votes.
So which evidence do you want the court to take? The affidavit or the one that you've given us that you did not sign the...
We signed. It's only that it was not presented here. In the morning, we signed.
Do you have a copy of what you signed? Because
No.
what IBC has brought, you did not sign. Do you have a copy of what you signed?
No.
You did not have. Did you take a photo of it?
No.
You did not. All right. So you maintain you signed?
I signed.
All right. Now, you say at paragraph 4 that the counting did not commence because the presiding officer informed you that Honorable Geoffrey Kiringa Ruku, the cabinet secretary in charge of public service, had given directions that the voting was not to begin until he arrived. Which presiding officer gave you that information?
Madam Kamau.
Madam Kamau. How did she give that information to you?
We asked her why we are not big.
How? My question is how?
She just communicated
To who?
to all of us verbally.
To all of you verbally.
Yeah.
All right. Did you ask her why? Why you had to wait for the
I
cabinet
asked
secretary?
her, yeah, but she never responded.
She never responded. Did
Yeah.
you put it in writing?
No.
You did not.
Mm.
Did you inform your party leader? Yes or no?
Yes, on phone.
Did you inform your candidate?
The agent, I informed the
I'm
agent.
talking about the candidate.
Candidate, no.
All right. Did you record it anywhere?
No.
Nowhere. All right. So what time did the cabinet secretary arrive?
Immediately that we put the fire out.
What time was
It was some minutes past 5.
Is he in the video that you showed us?
No, he's not there.
He's not there.
Yeah.
All right. So how do we verify what you say that he was there? Because you told us that you kept electronic record of the events of the day, but you don't have anything on this. How
I
do you
see.
verify what you're saying now?
I said some events, but not all,
Not all.
so I can't verify.
You didn't think this was important to record?
I never thought so.
You never thought so?
Yeah.
So when the cabinet secretary arrived, what happened?
He was followed by locals entering the school compound, and so they just started shouting, watu wa kutoka nje ndio wamechoma darasa.
All right.
Yeah.
And what did the IBC staff do?
They were just outside the classroom. Yeah.
And where were you yourself by that time?
Just standing there outside the classroom.
standing outside the classroom.
Yeah.
So by this time you had not been handcuffed.
No.
What time were you handcuffed?
After he arrived, he said wenye hawajatoka mbele north wakuja hapa mbele. So he asked me for my ID.
He talked to you.
Yeah, direct. He asked me, where is your ID? I produced. It read Laikipia.
Right.
Akasema all the way from Laikipia.
Let's go to your affidavit. Show us the paragraph where you're describing all this. Which paragraph? So that you don't get excited and create stories now. Which paragraph? Counsel, please let him go through his affidavit. Show us the paragraph where he asked you for your ID and talked about Laikipia and telling you to go away. Which paragraph, please?
Paragraph 8.
Read it for us.
That I witnessed the rowdy youths take control of the polling station and ballot boxes were removed from the classrooms as we were being roughed up. Ruto then publicly asked anyone who was not from the area to come to the front. One of the agents was called to the front and ordered to speak Kimbere local dialect.
One of the agents?
Yeah.
But not you, right?
Yeah.
Who is this one of these agents? Who is this agent?
He is not in the court.
Who is he? Tell us the name.
I can't recall his name.
Is he a witness?
No.
He's not. So it's not you who was told.
I was also told.
Where are you? Where are you in the paragraph?
It is not indicated.
Yes. So don't create situations now which you have not described in your both. All right? So all what you're saying about Cabinet Secretary Ruku is fabrication. Correct?
I said the right thing in paragraph.
But I've not asked you to read. Did you record Waziri Ruku giving you all these instructions
No.
that you're talking about now?
No.
You did not. Did anyone record?
I don't know.
You don't know. All right. Did anybody witness all this that you're saying about Waziri Ruku?
Yeah, everybody was with
You have
him.
another witness to come and confirm that? Yes or no?
I don't know whether.
Yes or no? Do you have another witness to confirm what you're telling us about Ruku now that you don't have it on record?
I don't have.
You don't have?
Yeah.
Thank you. So, did Ruku participate in the counting of the votes?
No.
He did not. So he did not participate in any of the IBC functions whatsoever?
Yeah, he never.
He never. Thank you. And in any event, you confirm that if at all he came to the station, it was after the station had closed. Correct?
He came twice.
Voting had closed.
He came twice in the.
You have only one complaint after the closure. That's what I'm asking you.
Yeah, he came after the closure. Yeah.
Had closed.
Yes.
All right. You say that ballot boxes were removed from the polling station to a vehicle.
Yes.
Who did that?
The locals who were salvaging the classroom.
The locals.
Yeah.
And from which station?
I don't know they were from which station.
You are there.
Polling station 2
Polling station 2
is the one which was on fire.
All right. So they were removed from. You mentioned earlier on that both stations were affected and that the ballot boxes were removed from both stations.
No.
So it was only one.
One classroom.
Which one was that?
Class 2. Polling station 2.
Station 2.
Yeah.
So one remained intact.
The ballot boxes remained inside.
So both classes were not evacuated. It was only
One class, yeah.
And you say that it was illegal for the presiding officer to transfer the vote counting to polling station 1?
I said according to my thinking, it is illegal because there were more classrooms that we would have occupied rather than taking them into one classroom.
Well, the other classes prepared for that function?
No.
You are not. Are you? Did your advocate advise you that Regulation 64 empowers a presiding officer to transfer proceedings to any other polling station within the constituency?
He never.
He never told you that?
Yeah.
All right. Now that you know, do you still maintain that the transfer of the counting to polling station 1 was illegal?
Yes.
You still maintain?
Yeah.
Even though the law allows that?
I maintain.
You maintain?
Yeah.
On what basis? On what basis?
Because she would have sought an alternative.
I have told you what the law
mixing.
is. You have said you maintain. So what is the basis of your insistence?
It's likely it could have brought a mix-up.
Where do you find that? In the law or your own thinking?
We were trained as
In
agents.
the law or your own thinking?
When we were trained as agents,
Just answer my question.
my thinking.
Your own thinking?
Yeah.
All right. That's my lord. My colleague will proceed.
Is there further cross-examination?
Yes, my lord. Adrian, for the fourth respondent. Mr. Dan Degwa Macharia.
Yes.
What is your ID number?
Come again?
What is your ID number?
9745312.
Do you have a copy of the ID?
I have it here. The original.
Can we look at it? So what do you do for a living?
I'm a businessman.
In which sector?
Kinamba, Ngarwa.
Sorry? Speak up, please.
Kinamba, Ngarwa.
IT people at the back there. IT, we've been having a problem with the sound. I have seen complaints online. Yes? All right. Okay, because I can hardly hear what he's saying. All right.
So you say your business is situated in Kinamba?
Yeah.
What business do you do?
Electronics.
Electronics.
Yeah.
So you indicated you are hired as an agent.
Yes.
Who hired you?
Safina Party.
Safina Party.
Yes.
Is it Safina Party or the candidate?
I was hired through the Safina Party. Through
Safina Party.
Yeah, through agents from the person who was vying.
Is it the party? You know there are two things.
Yeah, it's the party.
It's a party. You know
Yeah.
there's a party and there's a candidate.
Yeah.
You are aware there are people who contest as independents.
Yes.
In which case you hire your agents.
Yes.
And then those with the party.
Yeah.
So who appointed you?
The party.
Who gave you the appointment letter?
An agent from the party.
So it's not the party. Do you have a letter from the party?
From
Do you have a
the
letter from
no. It was from the candidate.
So which party are you referring to?
Safina.
Safina Party.
Yes.
Where is Safina Party based?
Kenya.
Where?
The whole,
Kenya stretches from.
maybe you asked me, its office is the whole of the country.
So Safina is in Kenya.
Yeah,
Where are their registered offices?
Nairobi.
Which building?
I can't recall the building.
So are you a member?
I'm a member.
Member number?
I don't know.
You don't know.
Yeah,
Which branch are you affiliated to?
Nairobi.
Nairobi branch.
Yeah.
Do they have a branch in Laikipia?
No, but representatives.
Representatives?
Yeah.
What sort of representatives?
Representative of the party.
Who is a representative in Laikipia?
I am among them.
So you represent in what capacity?
As a representative of Laikipia West.
Laikipia West what? What
constituency.
You are who in Laikipia West for the party?
Among the committee.
You are a committee member?
Yeah.
Of what?
Safina Party.
Committee member of Safina Party?
Yeah.
Of what? Of what? Of the national committee?
No.
Of which?
Just local.
So Laikipia West, Safina committee?
Yeah.
It exists?
Yeah, it's there. We had a candidate last elections.
Where are your offices in Laikipia?
We don't have an office.
You don't have party offices in Laikipia?
No.
So you usually meet at our tree?
Just phone calls here and there in hotels.
When was your last meeting?
During elections.
Which elections?
2022.
2022?
Yeah.
So for you to come to MBEERE,
Yeah.
were you facilitated?
Yeah, in fact, I was given transport.
How much?
10,000 to fuel my car.
10,000?
Yeah.
Just to fuel your car?
Yeah.
So it's only the car that was provided for?
Yes.
You are not supposed to eat anything?
I ate. I used about 9,000. I had 1,000 extra.
So you fuel for 9,000?
Yeah.
And you ate 1,000?
Yeah.
Money that was designated for fuel?
Yes.
So who did you receive the money from?
I was given by the person who gave me the appointment letter.
What's the name of that person?
He was from the party.
Not from where he was.
Can't remember his name.
So you are given by a stranger?
Yes.
So you got money from a stranger
from
and
the
used
party.
It to fuel your car?
From the party.
And eat the balance? How was it remitted to you? Was it in cash?
Cash. Cash.
So cash?
Yeah.
So you have no way of telling whosoever who gave you the money?
Not really.
So you don't even know whether that person belongs to Safina?
I believe so, because he took us through.
You are only hoping and trusting God that that person was from Safina.
He took us through induction.
Now, where did you sleep?
I slept at Ishiara.
Ishiara?
Yeah.
You said you arrived here on 24th?
Yes.
So 24th, you slept at Ishiara?
Yeah.
Where in Ishiara?
A certain hotel there.
Which hotel?
I can't recall its name, but it was in Ishiara.
A hotel in Ishiara? An unknown hotel in Ishiara?
Yeah.
You stayed in an unknown hotel in Ishiara?
Can't remember its name.
So it is unknown?
Yeah, we put it that way.
You slept on 24th?
Yeah.
24th?
25th, 26th.
So 24th?
Yeah.
So what time did you get to Ishiara on 24th?
Around midnight.
Around midnight?
Yeah.
And what time did you sleep?
Just a few minutes after.
A few minutes after?
Yeah, yeah.
What time did you wake up?
At around 8.
At around 8 on 25th?
Yeah.
Where did you sleep on 25th?
The same place.
The same place that you don't know?
The same town. We changed, it was full. The original one was full the second day. So we just walked and found another one somewhere.
You found and walked another one which
Yeah.
was still anonymous.
Yeah, and we rented.
And you rented.
Yeah.
How much did you pay on the first day?
The room was costing 500 per day.
500 per day.
Yeah,
So on 25th, you went to another one.
yeah,
How much did you pay? 500.
yes,
Then on 26th,
5.
which hotel?
The second one,
The second one.
yeah,
The second unknown,
yes,
500.
yeah.
27th,
I went home at midnight,
you went home at midnight.
yeah. So I never slept.
So you never slept.
I never slept.
Okay. You said you were in police station 1,
2,
2.
yeah,
So you disowned paragraph 3.
yeah,
And you see paragraph 3 now carries the weight of all that was happening. Whatever you have narrated is what happened in police station 1. So it means that now if you disown paragraph 3 and you have been talking about police station 1, then nothing is left. Do you agree with me?
yeah.
Yes or no?
I still insist.
Not,
Police
are
station
you
2.
agreeing with me that your evidence here was based on the polling station that you participated in?
I don't agree.
You don't agree?
Yeah.
And do you agree that you are in polling station 1?
No,
Do you agree that it is your evidence that you are in polling station 1?
it is a typographical error.
So, this affidavit has errors.
Yeah, that is one.
So it has errors.
Yeah,
How many?
I don't know that one.
So you don't know how many
noted
errors
that
there are?
one. I noted that one.
You have stated or know that you are in police station 1?
2.
The affidavit. No, we either go by, what do you want us to go with? We can put aside the affidavit. Do you want us to go by the affidavit or just to listen to you? Which one do you prefer? We go by the affidavit,
Yeah,
or we go by your testimony?
we go by the affidavit.
We go by the affidavit.
Yeah.
The affidavit says you are in police station 1.
And,
Okay?
yes.
Right. So, at paragraph 7, you indicate that you saw CS Rocco walk into the station followed by a crowd of 300 armed young men who are armed with various crude weapons.
Roughly 300. Yes,
So they were not 100.
they were roughly 300.
Get my question.
Estimate.
Get question. My question, eh? They were not roughly 100.
No,
They were not roughly 200.
no,
They were not roughly 800.
no,
They were not roughly 350.
no,
They were not roughly 301.
no.
They were roughly 300.
Yes,
They were not roughly 299.
no.
They were roughly 300.
Roughly.
Did you count?
Yeah, I didn't count. That's
didn't
why.
count?
That's why I'm saying roughly.
Yes, you didn't
Yeah.
count,
Yeah,
but you know that they were not 299 and they were not 301, correct?
they are roughly 300.
They were roughly 300.
Yeah.
They were not roughly 299. They were not roughly 301.
No.
They were roughly 300.
Yeah.
Are you registered as a voter?
Yes.
Where?
All Moran.
Or Moran?
Yeah.
So you are registered as a voter in Ormoran. You work in Kinamba in Laikipia,
Yeah.
and then you incurred a bill of 9,000 to come to MBEERE North. You paid 1,000 for lunch.
Yeah.
You paid 1,500 for accommodation.
Yeah.
So you literally financed the process.
We volunteer. We call it a volunteer.
You are a volunteer.
Yeah, we serving the
What
party
motivated your volunteership?
because I'm a party member, and I wanted us to support our candidate.
How many votes did your candidate secure?
100 and something.
100 and what? You are an agent, and you had come all the way from Laikipia. What did you tell the Laikipia people once you returned?
I told them that I was chased away from MBEERE North.
So you told them that you were chased away.
Yeah.
At which paragraph do you indicate that you were chased away? Which paragraph of your evidence? Where you are telling Laikipia people that I told Laikipia people I was chased away from MBEERE North. Which paragraph?
There is nowhere indicated.
It's not indicated anywhere.
Yeah.
You have talked about many things. You have talked about what happened to you and when CS Roko came in. So what did CS Roko do to you?
After he asked us to step forward, those who are not from MBEERE North, I stepped forward. He requested for my ID. He identified me as from Laikipia. My phone was repossessed, and my phone was taken, and he ordered I be handcuffed.
Who took your phone?
I was hit from behind, so I fell on my stomach. It flew away, and so it was collected and handed over to CS Roko.
So, where did CS Roko hit you?
He never hit me. He just pushed me from the shoulder, sit down.
And then somebody else from behind is pushing you to fall with the stomach.
Not one person. They were shoving us. Unarushwa kwa yule, unarudishwa kwa yule, unarudishwa kwa huyu. You block the jembe sticks. Stones are thrown, so you couldn't tell who was throwing the stone or the jembe stick.
When you fell, you lay on the stomach, or you are in what position?
I crawled and woke up and started shielding myself from sticks.
Okay, paragraph 12 of the affidavit. That CS Roko then pressed me down from my shoulders, forcing me to fall and sit down.
Yes.
You sat down with your stomach?
No, that was after I fell. I stood up and ran away. Then
because you are saying you fell with your stomach, you crawled.
I was hit from behind, then fell, woke up.
Is that indicated in affidavit? Which paragraph? Where you have been pushed and you have fallen on your stomach?
It is not indicated.
It is not indicated?
Yeah.
So it is out of your phenomenal creativity. Correct?
Not really.
You are not a creative person?
No.
You have said that you are handcuffed.
Yes.
What time were you handcuffed?
After I fell down, I stood up, then stood next to CS Roko, and when I insisted I'm an agent.
What time were you handcuffed?
After I insisted,
you know the time when you were handcuffed?
No.
You don't know the time you were handcuffed?
Yeah.
You are saying that you stood next to CS Roko?
Yes.
Who is still, in your testimony, a very dangerous person.
Yes.
Yet you are still standing next to him.
He summoned me.
Don't you fear?
He summoned me. Kuja hapa uongee Kimbere, nijue wewe ni wa hapa.
But you are already down, now you have seated.
Yeah, I woke up.
And he has already established that you cannot speak Kimbere.
Yeah.
And you still want to go back to start where he is.
Then
don't you fear danger?
When I didn't speak Kimbere, akasema weka huyu pingu.
Do you fear danger? So alisema uwekwe pingu, but you don't know when the pingus were put.
Yeah,
you said you don't know when they got the handcuffs.
It was during the scuffle.
So it could have been any time of the day?
From 5.
When did the voting close?
5.
5?
Yeah.
5 p.m.?
Yeah.
So you can remember when the voting, you can remember clearly?
Yes.
So when did CS Roko come?
Some minutes past 5 after the fire had broke.
So some minutes past 5?
Yeah.
So you can remember when CS Roko came in, but you cannot remember when he ordered you to be handcuffed? Is it?
I said
you cannot remember when the CS came in.
He came past 5. I didn't see the exact time.
I do remember when you were handcuffed?
Some minutes past 5.
So now you are remembering.
2. Not exactly the time, but roughly.
But previously you had no idea. Is that correct? You are saying that CS Roku superintended and executed the assault.
I never said so.
Let me take you to your paragraph, paragraph 14. Let your advocate show you. Paragraph 14. Read the last sentence. The last sentence of paragraph 14. Read out loudly.
I stated that my phone had been stolen, but my...
Read the last paragraph. It starts with CS Roku. That's the last, the last sentence.
CS Roku continued superintending and executing the assault.
You are saying that you never said that.
He never assaulted me.
You have said that you never said that. Are you surprised that it is in your affidavit?
He was assaulting others, not me.
Are you surprised that what you never said is in your affidavit?
I'm not surprised.
You're not surprised because you usually say things that have no valid basis, correct?
No.
At what point did you recover your phone?
After it was taken by locals, it was handed over to CS Roku, and when he was leaving, he handed it over to me.
At what time?
It was some minutes to 6.
Some minute to 6?
Yeah.
And so you say it's not CS Roku who assaulted you?
Yeah, he never assaulted me.
He never assaulted you?
Yeah.
So this paragraph that says that CS Roku assaulted you, do you start by it?
No.
So you are abandoning paragraph 14?
Yes.
Correct. So paragraph 14 is hereby abandoned by the witness. At paragraph 15, you state that I noted that the other Democratic Party agent had managed to take off and did not participate in assisting voters. Who was the other Democratic Party agent?
He was by the name Moreithi. I saw him jumping over the fence behind the classrooms.
So are you an agent of Safina or Democratic Party?
Safina.
And you are saying the other Democratic Party agent?
Maybe it's typographical.
So this affidavit has manifest errors. That's what you are telling the court.
The other agent means the other agents just like me.
So you are saying that he was not assisting voters?
Who?
The other agent.
I never said so.
Go to the last paragraph. The last line of paragraph 15. Can you read paragraph? Paragraph 15.
That this classroom...
Go to the last sentence.
I noted that the other Democratic Party agent had managed to take off and did not participate in assisting voters.
Which were those voters?
It is not assisting. It should be counting.
Another error.
Yeah.
So how many errors do we expect? So that we prepare.
No other error.
So he was not participating in the vote, assisting the voters.
Assisting in counting. He never participated in counting.
So it is not assisting voters.
No.
So this is wrong.
Yeah.
So this paragraph has an error. True or false?
Yes.
So we do away with this paragraph that has an error.
Yeah.
So we are doing away with paragraph 15 as required of us by the witness.
Is it the whole paragraph?
No, the last sentence.
The last sentence?
Yeah.
But it's part of the paragraph.
Yes.
It's a continuation. It's coming towards the end.
We remove the last sentence.
No, we cannot. It's part of the paragraph. We cannot remove words. We cannot remove letters. Either we sustain the paragraph or we do away with the paragraph.
It can be removed, the last sentence.
We are not removing the sentences.
I insist,
You have numbered it.
I insist we remove the sentence.
You have no capacity to insist on anything. You are a witness at a close examination.
Yeah.
To respond to questions.
Yes.
So, paragraph 15, are you abandoning it or are you retaining it with error?
I abandon it.
So you have abandoned paragraph 15?
Yes.
You have again indicated that at paragraph 17, CS Roko ordered that we be taken to the police station. Is that your evidence?
Yes.
Which police station were you taken to?
We were not taken, later we were taken to Siakago.
Which police station were you taken to?
Siakago.
You were taken to Siakago police station?
Yes, but we were released at the gate.
Wait for the question.
Yeah.
Don't be in a hurry.
Yeah.
You have come all the way from Laikipia.
Yes.
Yeah, to answer questions. So relax. So you state you are taken to Siakago police station. You are taken to Siakago police station. Instruction
was that we be taken to Siakago station.
You were taken to which police station?
We were not taken to any police station.
You have said that CS Roko ordered that we be taken to the police station.
Yes, he ordered, but we were not taken.
He ordered that we be taken to the police station.
Yes.
Which was nowhere, which you are not taken.
We were not taken.
So you are not taken to a police station.
No.
So CS Roko did not order you to be taken to any police station.
He had ordered.
Which police station were you taken?
We were not taken.
You are not taken to a police station.
We were released at the gate.
Do you know what an order is?
Yeah, I know.
What's an order?
It's an order.
An order is an order?
Yeah.
So, the order that you be taken to Siakago police station was an order?
Yes.
Were you taken?
Up to the gate of the police station.
So you went up to Siakago gate?
Yeah.
Siakago police station gate?
Yeah.
Then you did a U-turn?
The policeman told us, hapa sioni kesi yenu nyinyi. Akatufungua pingu.
So the police told you,
hapa sioni kesi hapa.
Hapa sioni kesi yenu. So
he uncuffed us.
Yes.
That's the time he told us na muende kabisa kutoka mbele.
Na muende kabisa kutoka mbele. He uncuffed you.
Yeah.
And told you muende kabisa
kutoka mbele.
Kutoka mbele.
Yes.
That was the time you left.
Yeah. From
what time was it?
It was 9 something.
It was 9 something.
Yeah.
Do you remember yourself telling me that you left at midnight?
Yeah, I went to town to wait for my driver. Siakago town.
Then I drew your attention to paragraph 20 of your affidavit.
Yes.
So the same police officers who uncuffed you, you have said that before being released, the officers demanded money.
Yes.
How much do you pay?
I never paid. Somebody paid it on my behalf.
So they demanded money ama hawakuona kesi? Walisema hapa hakuna kesi. Did they say hapa hakuna kesi ama waliitisha pesa? Walisema hapa hakuna kesi lakini hamwezi enda hivyo. So hamkuenda hivyo.
A lady who was in the vehicle from Nairobi paid for us. In fact, she gave 7,000.
She gave 4,000?
7.
She gave 7,000?
Yeah, for our release.
To who?
To the policeman.
To the policeman?
Yeah.
Now, look at paragraph 19 of your affidavit. You say that we were eventually told to leave. You proceed to say, we were taken to the constituency tallying center at about 9 p.m.
Yes.
Hold on. So at 9 p.m., you are at Siakago police station.
Yes. At 9 p.m.
Hold on.
Yes.
The question will come. At 9 p.m., you have told the court you are at Siakago police station.
Yes.
Where you are being told hapa hakuna kesi.
Yes.
And where you are still being told
yes.
hamwezi eda hivyo. And at the same 9 p.m.,
Yeah.
you are at the constituency tallying center.
The two are adjacent. So walisema hapa mtauawa. The vehicle drove continuously to the gate.
Just wait. So at 9 p.m.,
Yeah.
you are at Chicago police station.
Yes.
Are you there?
Yes.
At 9 p.m.,
Yes.
you are at the constituency tallying center.
Yeah, they are just adjacent.
Wait a minute.
Yes.
So at 9 p.m., you are at Chicago police station, correct?
Yeah, at the gate.
At 9 p.m., you are at the constituency tallying center.
Yes.
At 9 p.m.
Yeah. But the vehicle never stopped.
No, I'm not saying that the vehicle stopped. But I'm saying that at 9 p.m. you are both at Chicago police station
Yeah.
and at the constituency tallying center.
Just like you can
No,
be.
don't explain. Just say yes or no.
Yes.
You are in those two places.
Yeah.
Did you enter the tallying station?
No. I was just in the vehicle.
Where was the vehicle parked?
It was just outside the tallying center. Then the policeman said, hapa mtauawa, tuwaweke pale kwa gate. So immediately they drove us to the gate.
But you have been taken to the constituency tallying center.
Yeah, outside. We were standing outside.
Mr. Dego. Please
Yeah.
try to coordinate kidogo.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can be inconsistent, but now you are actually taking it too far.
Yeah.
Yes. Hata kama ni ile maneno nataka kupeleka hivi, usipeleke nje sana. Sawa? Sawa? Sawa?
Yeah.
Peleke tu nje kidogo. Then you have indicated I combine both. You have again in your testimony indicated that you entered at paragraph 21. You entered a nearby hotel.
Yes.
Which hotel?
I can't recall it, but after I was released, I took refuge in a hotel until my driver arrived.
So you are saying that there is a hotel in the tallying center?
No, in the neighborhood. In the
And you don't know
neighborhood.
the name of the hotel?
Yeah.
You have said that you later considered going for a P3 form, but I was too scared and traumatized.
Yes.
I have still not gained courage to report the incident.
Yes.
So up to today, you have never gained courage,
Never.
but you have courage to come and testify.
It was a lifetime trauma. It won't go anytime soon.
Are you aware that the police station you have talked about, Chicago police station, is 1.5 kilometers from the constituency tallying center?
I'm not aware.
So what now would you say, because you had said that you are at the same point at 9 p.m., you are at the polling station at 9 p.m., and you are also at a place 1.5 kilometers away at 9 p.m.?
That is estimate, roughly. I was not looking at my watch.
Okay, so
Yeah.
paragraph 19, that we were taken to the constituency tallying center at 9 p.m.
Yes.
Is it your evidence?
Yeah.
Is it an estimate here? Do you want us to make it an estimate?
No.
Is it actual?
Yeah.
And at this time, when you are at the constituency tallying center, you are at another institution which is 1.5 kilometers away.
Yeah, we just drove immediately to the gate.
Still at 9 p.m.
Yeah, somewhere roughly there.
So at 9 p.m. you are at two locations that are 1.5 kilometers away from each other. You have indicated that there are documents you have annexed. The medical report.
Yes.
That's Exhibit 2.
Yeah.
Where is it?
I sent it to my lawyer.
Is it in your documents?
No.
It's not in your documents.
Yeah.
So, and you have also indicated there's an exhibit photo of a badly torn jacket.
Yeah, I sent it
Is
to.
it in your documents?
No.
So you are not wearing a jacket that day.
I had
You are in a coat.
I had a jacket which was badly torn.
Where is the jacket?
It is at home.
So is it in your documents?
I sent the
Is
photos.
it in your documents?
It isn't.
It's not there.
Yeah.
So paragraph 22. Does it annex what it proposed to annex? Does it have exhibit 2?
No.
Does it have exhibit 3?
No.
Do you want to still retain the paragraph, well knowing that the documents are not included in your bundle?
No.
You want to abandon?
Yeah.
So you want to abandon paragraph 22?
Yes.
So paragraph 22.
Whether you are lying on your stomach or you are crowing. Yes?
Yes.
Confirm that at no given time were you lying in state and that you witnessed everything, correct?
Yeah.
Thank you.
I confirm.
I don't know what to record on that one.
It's done.
I'll just record the annual. Any other witnesses?
Yes, Your Honor, I think we can have this witness discharged. We'll be subpoenaing our next witness.
Is it Duncan?
Thank you, Dan.
Dan?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. PW7.
Habari yako?
Mzuri.
Utatumia lugha gani?
Kimbere.
Kimbere. Kimbere yuko hapa.
Simon Kariuki namo.
Simon ito ukibetilia ukibetilia ndoto. So kero kwira zanere beta.
Nere beta.
Wirore ngwaria mbere goti.
Wirore ngwaria mbere goti.
Ni wa uma.
Ni wa uma.
Uma mutheri.
Uma mutheri.
Gainderia.
Gainderia.
Tafadhali elezea koti majina yako kamili.
Simon Kariuki namo. Simon Kariuki namo. Bunge la Mbeere North.
Simon, umeelezea koti kwamba utakuwa na
Yes,
my lord. I have witnessed the witness being sworn in
Kimbere
in a vernacular language, but then he has suddenly switched to another language different from which he purported to understand.
Yeah.
His affidavit is sworn in the English language, so we might require some guidance as to the language that the witness will be using so that you're able to appreciate the various elements. Because if he is illiterate, then it's also good that we are aware so that we handle him as illiterate. If he is partially educated, we can adjust accordingly. And if he is highly learned, again, we can know the standards to apply.
Is he speaking in Kimbere or not? Is it you?
Yeah. The indication is that he's very fluent in Kimbere, partially Kiswahili. We had alerted the court that because we don't want to take too much time, what he can understand in Kiswahili, we can move. But if you can be consistent in Kimbere, it's well and good, but we thought it would take more time.
It will take more time.
Yeah,
You have to decipher what he is saying and translate it.
Yes, and my lord, we had actually talked to our learned friends for the respondents early in the morning and alerted them about it. We say that we'll have Mr. Gashufa, we spoke. I told you we'll be having people who will be speaking.
But he seems to be capable of speaking
Kiswahili.
Kiswahili, so why doesn't he continue? It's one of the languages of the court.
And whatever he doesn't understand, we had told him, what you don't understand in Kiswahili, just ask somebody to
That's fine.
to repeat.
That's fine.
Or even
No problem.
translate.
We can if the only way he can express a certain thing is in Kimbere.
Yes.
The court interpreter Sylvia, just for your record,
Yes.
will be able to do that for us.
Very well, my lord.
But he sounded like he's quite capable of speaking Kiswahili.
Yeah.
So let's proceed the way you are going.
Very well. So, Mr. Kamoda, I hope you're comfortable with Kiswahili.
Let's proceed, Waduta.
Very well.
Thank you, my Lord Kamau Karudhi for petitioner. Also, just for the attention of the court, up to that point, he was just responding to proper nouns. That is Kitibore, Mbere North. I had not asked any substantive
Just
question.
proceed where he is unable.
Yes.
And the language.
Thank you, my Lord. Bwana Namu, uliweza sajilisha katika koti hati ya kiapo ama ile affidavit.
Nataka kuongea Kimbere mimi.
Yeah, jibu na Kimbere. Kama umeelewa swali langu?
Sikuelewa.
Urago kana kwena affidavit kana mwito wako urete mbele ya koti. Ni kweli nimeleta affidavit yangu mbele ya koti.
Na hiyo affidavit ndio hiyo iko mbele yako.
Affidavit hiyo mbele yako.
Ndio. Je, ungetaka kuitoa kama ushahidi katika hii kesi?
Rumwe vitosho wako kana affidavit yako no wende kumita huko igotire ile wira wako. Ningependa kuitoa hiyo affidavit yangu kama ushahidi mbele ya koti.
Umesajilishwa kama mpiga kura, na kama umesajilishwa unapiga kura katika eneo lipi?
Getiburi.
Naam. Katika hati yako nataka tuende haraka haraka.
What pages is affidavit?
83 of our bundle. Unaielewa ile hati yako vizuri?
Affidavit ino yakunura mielewa wega bio.
Haya, katika ile hati yako umezungumzia kuhusu waziri Geoffrey Roko katika ile exercise ya uchaguzi. Tafadhali elezea koti ile iko katika hiyo hati na kile kilichotendeka pale Getibore wakati wa uchaguanaji.
Urerwa tirere inwa affidavit ino yakana mwivitoi waku no waritie guru ya CS Ruko no mugwetete thino affidavit yaku muthenya ucio wa kithurano igurerwo taririe ni ndu kiathire na mbere muthenya ucio wa kithurano pare Getibore.
Okay, thank you. Na ukirije kiroko tene
Hiyo siku niliamka mwendo wa asubuhi.
Kido 6 yoguo thaithi na Sara.
Niliamka mwendo wa 6 am.
Bwana Namu, tafadhali twende tu kwa yale yalitendeka pale, yale umeweka katika affidavit yako wakati baada ya kutupa kwa kura. Hiyo ndio nataka tuelewe kile alifanya.
Straight thĩinĩ wa affidavit yaku marĩa wandĩkithirie warĩkia kũhũra kura kana ũrĩa wathire na mbere igũrũ rĩa.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Narikia gũikia kura yakwa.
Nilipomaliza kupiga kura
ninathiire muciĩ. Ninavũri kura ngĩnenoka muciĩ.
Mimi nilipiga kura na nikaelekea nyumbani.
Na ngĩthiĩ kũruta wĩra wakwa.
Nikaenda kufanya kazi pale kwangu nyumbani.
Ciakinya thaa 10.
Na ilipofika mwendo wa saa 10
ngĩumĩra rĩngĩ.
Nilitokea tena.
Ndiye ngone kura igitarwa.
Niweze kuangalia ama kushuhudia kura zikihesabiwa.
Toro hapo ni twekarangire igikinya thaa 11.
Tukiwa mahali pale tulikaa hadi mwendo wa saa 11.
Gituo gikivingwa.
Na kituo kikafungwa.
Na ugituika ni mabewa ndagika 30 break ya 30 minutes.
Ndipo ikawa walikuwa wamepewa muda wa 30 minutes
niguo maoke matare kura
ili waweze kuja kuendelea na shughuli ya kuhesabu kura.
Ndagika 30 ni ciathirire.
Hizo 30 minutes zilikamilika.
Ndio ciathirire.
Na zilipoisha
andu makiambiria kuria kaiga atarwari na ndagika 30 ni ciathira.
Watu walianza kuwa na wasiwasi na wakijiuliza kwani kura zitahesabiwa saa ngapi kwa vile 30 minutes zilikuwa zimelapse.
POC waebuga no akakirire tu agikaranga agicoka thumburwa muno akiuga kwi onda yaoka yauga iti gukunurwa etha mathandu ku isi kura isi iti gutarwa CS rukwata muginyu.
Yale maswali yalipoulizwa yule PO alikuwa pale alinyamaza, lakini aliposumbuliwa sana ndipo alisema ya kwamba kuna orders ambazo zimepeanwa ya kwamba hakuna kuhesabu kura kama CS Ruto hajafika.
Wavuga makiambiria kwifariria.
Hapo ndipo walianza kujitayarisha.
Makiambiria kuwatia taa iria igwatagua.
Wakaanza kuwasha zile mataa huwa zinawashwa.
Imwe gyakuwe gisetwo wega.
Moja iliwashwa na ikasetiwa vizuri.
Ingi gyakuwe gicoke gikunurwa.
Lakini hiyo nyingine iliwashwa na ikafunguliwa.
Ya kunurwa mwaki ukiambiria kuma.
Na ilipofunguliwa moto ilitokea.
Makiambiria kugambu.
Ndipo walianza kupiga nduru.
Ndagika itathirite kinya 6 andu maokire ngi mena CS rukuri makuite mite ya mashembe makiuga mbua nao.
Kabla ya dakika 6 kuisha, watu wengine walikuja pamoja na CS Ruto na pia wao walikuwa pia wanapiga nduru.
Magoka matonyete kura siari
walikuja na wakaingia mahali kura zilikuwa.
Magosa box
wakachukua box
na makimetonya ngarire
na wakaeka kwa gari.
Na taa hizo wakiru twanja yo yakanaga.
Na ile taa ilikuwa na moto ikatolewa nje.
Wandu makiambiriria mbara kuri andu makiambiria kuri fori.
Just tell him to stop tapping his feet. It's a bit irritating.
Weka ika.
Oh, sawa.
Maguru maku kana pambira.
Sawa.
So CS Ruto and other people came to the station?
CS Ruto na ndume ngine mauka. Gina mbele kumageba.
Magoka mageuza magasi maokire na moka marikite magitonya kukura siari na kuko aina mwaki.
Hao watu walikuja wakaingia mahali kura zilikuwa, mahali ambapo kulikuwa na moto.
Mageuza thanduku.
Wakachukua box.
Magitonya ngarire
na wakaweka kwa gari.
Wandu makiambiria kurivari ku.
Ndipo watu walianza kuchapwa.
Dumba ambiria kurivwa. Agent ro ai wa karisi ku akinengera kavugu karia na kwa kimbira ndienga kathithe ndinako ondo abatagucuno.
Watu walipoanza kuchapwa kulikuwa na huyu agent wa Karis ambaye alikuwa pale ndani, ndipo alinipatia kitabu. Kile kitabu alikuwa nacho, akanielekeza kwamba niende niviche hiyo kitabu kwa vile angeweza kunyang'anywa ile kitabu.
Who is this?
Agent wa Karis.
Does he know him?
Nomwese anamjua.
Anaitwa nani?
Michael Murithi.
Huyo agent anaitwa Michael Murithi.
Rada dire na karange unaona ko
Bwana Namu na huyo Michael Murithi mnajuana, mna uhusiano wowote ama namna gani?
Ni watu wa area moja tu.
Muulize vizuri.
Urauro Michael Mreithi ni mwishene kana mwishene atana kana mwishe atana.
Ne mweze tondu toyairie mwe toyagitibure area.
Mimi namfahamu Michael Mreithi kwa vile ni mtu wa area, ni wa hiyo Gitibori area.
Endelea.
Na thine karire muno tondu kwa ribanitwo muno gukiuga gwambu ni nathire nyunjura irathi naku vuva na ngikara naku uguo muno ngicoka ri.
Mimi nilipoenda nilikuwa pale nyuma ya madarasa na bado watu walikuwa wanapigwa sana, so nilienda na nikakaa pale kwa muda.
Rende ngwire mbara yathira na ngigwa andu macukuma mero macoke kuria ngitire nja.
Na vita ilipoisha tukatulia na watu wakasukumwa wakaambiwa atoke nje.
Ngicoka nethere nja gutina andu. Bau batina andu mwena ucio wa kure cia taragirwa.
Niliporudi hapa mahali kura zilikuwa zinahesabiwa nilipata hakukuwa na watu.
No CS Ruko wae kuo na jeshi yake bau security yake.
Ni CS Ruko tu peke yake na jeshi lake walikuwa tu pale.
Rĩrĩa mamonire
Na waliponiona
akiuga mbitwe,
alisema niitwe
niingie ndani. Niingie mahali kura zilikuwa zinahesabiwa.
Aliponiona alisema niitwe na akasema niingie ndani mahali kura zilikuwa zinahesabiwa.
Asante sana. Na kwa hivyo ni ushahidi wako ya kwamba wakati kura zilikuwa zikihesabiwa ama ile shughuli ya kura ulikuwa mahali pale?
Kwa hiyo ni wira wako ati kura igetarwa wale bado.
Na hivyo.
Hiyo ni ushahidi yangu ya kwamba kura zilipokuwa zikihesabiwa nilikuwa mahali pale.
Naam, na kwa ushahidi wako ile activity ama ile shughuli ya kuhesabu kura ilifanywa namna gani?
Ndio kulingana nawe ndio utaliushwa kura wathire na mbere yake.
Na tonya na ithere kura imbite metha igwatanitwe na kura igetu box yani kura igetwa itarwe.
Nilipoingia pale nilipata meza zimeunganishwa pamoja na kura zilikuwa zimemwagwa pale juu ili ziweze kuhesabiwa.
Ndagika kidogo matayambiri gutara CS Ruko akiuga kura itonywe stream reo ingi itarirwe vamwe ithi gutarwa kando kando.
Na muda kidogo kabla ya kura kuanza kuhesabiwa ndipo CS Ruko alisema kura zijumuishwe zipelekwe stream moja hazitahesabiwa kando kando.
Igicokwa box rirenge na igitwarwa stream reo ingi ciatwara tukitransition na sisi ya mbete matare.
Ndipo kura zilirudishwa tena kwa box alafu zikapelekwa kwa hiyo stream nyingine ambapo tulipata pia wao walikuwa wamemwaga kura tayari kuhesabu.
They were put in the box from where?
Segiro box ile simeta ku.
Isu sietetwa metha stream 2.
Hizi kura za stream 2 ambazo zilikuwa zimemwagwa kwa meza ndizo zilirudishwa kwa box ili ziweze kupelekwa kwa hiyo stream nyingine ziweze kuhesabiwa kwa pamoja.
Siathi gutarwa ciataragwo uguo tu ikira wona ni akarisi no ni angania uguo tu ikiova naguo.
Na zilipokuwa zinahesabiwa hadi ciataragwo atia
uguo ma cracks diwarie kwa alikuwa kwa hiyo mesa maije ndimosi mengi maigite kando na watia yenge mekarite na kukando rua na thire nge njiunga na cie nge na kukando ciathi gutarwa ciweza gwo uguo no ni akarisi kinenga no ni angania uguo mundu umwe akirwo cia akarisi ucio ngira gakirwo cia ucio nge uguo makigana uguo ma cracks alafu cia tarango gitwika ni ciove cia akarisi hapo 55
igotirenda kuandika uguo. Na nilipoenda pale nilipata class walikuwa wamekaa kando hapa karibu na kuhesabu, palikuwa tu na class ambao walikuwa tu wanahesabu kwa hii njia na naeleza koti. Tonia tena kwa tarafa.
Wosoguo.
Walikuwa tu wanachukua tu.
Ucio no wose akarisi. Ucio cia rewa muthende. Ucio cia ciengi uguru yo sawe kinenga ruga kuna akarisi ugutu.
Ilikuwa inahesabiwa kwa jinsi ya ikichukuliwa ikionekana ni akarisi inapatiwa mmoja, ikionekana ni lewa muthende inapatiwa mwingine, hivyo hivyo.
Na kulingana na wewe huo hiyo hesabu ya kura ilitendeka vile inavyofaa?
Kulingana nawe utarioshwa kura wadira na mbere no rekwagirire
asa eka
kulingana yeye hiyo kuhesabu kura haikuendelea kwa njia iliyofaa.
Kwa nini?
Niki
nondo rinde ngi mona gure yoso yeko we andu ande makiona ni hao.
Kwa vile hiyo wakati mwingine kura huwa inachukuliwa, inaonyeshana kwa uwazi na kila mtu anaona.
Je, ulikuwa agent wa mtu yeyote pale katika ile station ya Kitiburi 1 ama 2?
Wa agent wa wonde?
Eka.
Mimi sikuwa agent ya mtu yoyote.
Na je, uliweza kuweka sahihi yako katika stakabadhi yoyote katika ile polling station?
Na leo wapatia kusaini karatasi wa konde bare ya polling station.
Ndia saini wanare.
Sikutia sahihi yoyote katika stakabadhi yoyote pale polling station.
Umeelezea koti kwamba kulikuwa na dosari ama shida katika ule uhesabu, ile kufanya ile hesabu ya kura. Je, uliweza kumripotia mtu yeyote, na kama uliweza hasa yule petitioner katika hii kesi?
Kuraguo tondu wa gutwari na thina thĩinĩ wa ũtari wa kura nĩ wabatire kũhũrĩra mũndũ wa wothe kana kũhũra ripoti wa yothe kana no wabatire kũhũra ripoti wa yothe.
Nina hũrire.
Niliweza kupiga ripoti yoyote.
Kwa nani?
Wahũrire ripoti kule.
Na mbele chief agent.
Nilipiga ripoti ya kwanza kwa chief agent.
Na ngengevura petitioner Karisa.
Na hiyo ingine nikaeleza Karisa ambaye ni petitioner.
Katika hiyo hati yako ya kiapo umeongelea kuhusu yule agent wa chama cha Safina. Je, ulimfahamu?
Thĩinĩ wa affidavit yaku nĩ warĩrĩtie agent ũyũ wa kĩama gĩkĩ gĩa Safina. Na mfahamu huyo agent wa chama cha Safina.
Kwa kifupi sana, nini kilimfanyikia pale wakati ule?
Kwa njĩra nguhĩ kĩndũ gĩekĩkĩre kana kĩabanĩkĩire mũndũ ũyũ wa Safina agent.
Ucio no wambĩrĩrie kũribwa wa mbere.
Huyo agent wa Safina Party ndiye alianza kupigwa akiwa wa kwanza.
Ukisema akiwa wa kwanza, kwani kuna wengine walipata kuchapwa?
Ura ugani wambere kulibwe wa mbere hapo wengine maribirwa. Kuna wengine pia waliweza kuchapwa.
Kina nani?
Maribirwe.
Kulikuwa na ladies kama watatu hivi.
Again.
Walikuwa wageni, 3 ladies na pia kulikuwa na watu wengine ambao waliweza kuchapwa.
Nani alikuwa akiwachapa?
Tulikuwa maribaga.
Jeshi yao aukire na CS.
Hiyo jeshi ambayo ilikuja na CS.
Na umesema yule agent wa Safina alipata kuwekwa pingu. Nani aliyemweka pingu?
Na ni wauga agent wa Safina Party.
My Lord,
yes.
I would want to object because council keeps referring to what he has said. I'm looking at his affidavit. He has not talked about the Safina agent anywhere.
He has not talked about the Safina agent?
Yes, I don't know whether the council has a different affidavit from the one that I have. But council? Whatever he's talking about is not in his affidavit.
My Lord, it's on paragraph 7 of the affidavit.
His affidavit?
Yes.
It doesn't talk about what council is putting.
That is about Ruko?
Yes.
You are talking about the Safina agent?
Yes, the paragraph 7 talks of the Safina agent, and for him to speak of Safina agent, then he must have known him.
Where in paragraph 7? Just highlight to me.
I tried to rescue the Safina, the last line, I tried to rescue the Safina Party agent as he was being roughed up by,
Okay.
you've seen it?
I hadn't seen that.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, my Lord.
Go ahead.
Na ulisema ulijaribu kumsalimisha wakati alikuwa akitandikwa. Elezea koti. Alijaribu kumsaidia wakati alikuwa akichapwa. Elezea koti haswa kile kilichokuwa kikifanyika.
Na ndio ungetea tena wageragia kumutethereria huyo agent wa Safina Party ile alifakwa. Tarigia makiria ni ndukia. Ni atora uga.
Thaa icio makinyire acio ma CS thaisi akinyire na andu ake maokire makiuga mathirenda kuona ma agent ma DP guku kiwanjari kiu.
CS alipofika na hilo jeshi lake alisema ya kwamba hawataki kuona agent yoyote wa DP kwa hiyo uwanja.
Lakini yule
alikwenda kuona kinya mgeni.
Na pia hakutaka kuona mgeni.
Na nekio kinya mera kwa mari kinya kimbere.
Ndipo pia walikuwa wanaelekezwa waongee kwa lugha ya Kimbere.
Umeongelelea kuhusu ule moto uliokuwa pale katika ile stesheni ya kutupia kura ya Kitivuri. Je, ule moto ulikuwa wa kiasi gani?
No arendia gururia mwaki ule wa wale bare gituri ya Kitivuri. Urago mwaki ucio wegana gatia.
Ndo aye munene.
Haikuwa moto kubwa.
Ulikuwa kiasi cha kufanya shughuli ya kuhesabu kura iendelee ama isiendelee?
Wale mwaki ule atumire shughuli ya kutara kura irugame kana ndikarugame.
Ucio ndongiagiririe kura wiroronga maguonde.
Hiyo moto haingezuilia shughuli ya kuhesabu kura kusimama. Haingezuilia shughuli ya kuhesabu kura kuendelea.
Bwana Nam, ni ushahidi wa tume ya uchaguzi kwamba kuna fomu ama stakabadhi fulani zilichomeka pale katika kituo. Je, kwa ushahidi wako uliona hizo fomu zikichomeka au la?
Narimu wira wa IEBC makiuga ati kwina fomu cia birire baria muthenya ucio wa gutarakura ndio gutarakura kulingana na wira wa kwi fomu acio te wonire ikibia
kwe cia bire.
Kuna fomu ambazo ziliweza kuchomeka.
Uliona fomu zikichomeka?
Ni wonire fomu ikibia? Mimi niliona fomu zikichomeka.
Ulipata kujua ni zipi?
No abutire kumenya ni ile ko.
Ringiabotire kumenya.
Sikuweza kujua ni zipi ambazo zilichomeka.
Uliona zikiokotwa ama zilichomeka zikaachwa pale?
No wonire ikionganwa kana cia mbere igetigwa bare.
Ndia rona ikionganwa.
Sikuona zikiokotwa.
Sasa wakili Ndego atakuuliza swali moja.
Yes, jambo.
Jambo.
Ule moto uliotokea pale katika ile polling station ungeweza kusimamisha kuhesabiwa kwa kura katika hiyo polling station?
Mwaki ule watumukire bare station ile kana bare Gitibore nongeagiririo tari wakura kuthii na mbere?
Ndongeagiririe.
Hiyo moto haingezuilia kuhesabu kwa kura kuendelea.
Uliwahi kutia sahihi katika stakabadhi yoyote ambayo iliweza kuwakilishwa na tume ya uchaguzi?
No abotire gushaina karatathi wa konde kana fomu yothe ya IEBC?
Otire.
Sikuweza kutia sahihi.
IEBC anasema na anadai ya kwamba wewe uliweza kushuhudia kama mshahidi utangazaji wa kura katika zile polling station zote mbili.
IEBC marauga wewe alivo na ni wabatire kuona kana kura igetarwa na ikianirerwa bare Gitibore weta mwira
itianirerwa ndia na ikianirerwa no ni igetarwa ndia na ikianirerwa.
Mimi niliona kura zikihesabiwa lakini sikusikia zikitangazwa.
Ningeomba wakili
hakusikia
zikitangazwa.
Ningeomba wakili akuonyeshe hiyo stakabadhi ya form 35A.
Wakili kwena fomu ya gukonia namba 35A.
namo, tafadhali nakiri hiyo form inahusika na station gani? Just show him.
Which one is it being shown?
Getibori polling station.
Uraurua Getibori station iriko.
Eta wa Getibori.
Just show him where we have one of two. No, you can get it.
My Lord, I see it is page 74 of the respondents.
There are two. There's 73 and 74. Which one is he talking about?
Just identify for him.
At page 74, 73, 73.
73.
73.
Hiyo ni polling station gani?
Hiyo ni polling station iriko.
Imeandikwa one of. Hapa imeandikwa Getibori Primary School polling station one of two. Kweli si kweli? Hebu angalia hapa. Unaona hii column ambapo imeandikwa wale ambao waliweza kushuhudia kuhesabiwa kwa hizo kura?
Nuona vau vandikitwe maria mavotire
Ninaona.
ushaina aria mavotire kuona kura igitarwa.
Unaangalia jina la tatu?
Nwaroria ritwa ya kathatu.
Umeweza kuona jina lako hapo?
Pena ritwa riaku vau.
Ria kathatu ni riako.
Unaona mahali ambapo kuna sahihi? Hiyo sahihi unaitambua?
Hapana.
Eka. Sitambui hiyo sahihi.
Uliweza kutia sahihi katika hicho hiyo stakabadhi?
Nwavatire gusaina iratathi reu.
Utibo mna saini rekodi.
Ana utiba na saini. Yoyote niliweza kutia sahihi.
Hebu tuangalie polling station 2 of 2 Getibori. Naam. Unaweza kuangalia mahali kuna watu ambao waliweza kushuhudia wapigaji kura, wale ambao walishuhudia kuhesabiwa kura.
Nuravuta kuona andu acio mandikite vau ni monire kana mavotire kuona kura igitarwa.
Unaangalia katika jina la kwanza ni jina la nani?
Ritwa ria mbere ni riao.
Ni riako.
Jina la kwanza ni langu.
Hiyo unaona mahali ambapo kumetiwa sahihi?
Unaona bandu basaina?
Na ndivale ni kijana ya wana.
Naona mahali kumetiwa sahihi ambayo haifanani na
nyingine.
Na stream 1.
Hiyo ya stream 2 ni yako?
Hiyo ya stream 2 ni yako?
Eka gutiria yako, gutiba ndo na sahihi.
Hakuna mahali nilitia sahihi.
Kwa hivyo ni ushahidi wako katika hii mahakama ya kwamba haukuweza kutia sahihi yoyote katika zile stakabadhi. Kweli si kweli?
Kogo ni wira waku mbere ya goti ati gutiba ndo aponde wapotire gusaina.
Gutiba ndo na sahihi.
Mimi hakuna mahali popote niliweza kutia sahihi.
Na ni ushahidi ya kwamba wewe haukuwa agent wa mtu yoyote pale. Kweli si kweli?
Na wewe ndo wale agent wa mundu wa wonde?
Eka ndiye agent.
Mimi sikuwa agent.
Lakini unamfahamu Karis?
No mweshe Karis?
Mno.
Namjua Karis sana.
Unajua alikuwa amesimama na chama kipi?
Nuesha rugama na chama kiliko? Nafahamu alikuwa anasimama na chama chi.
Alikuwa amesimama na chama gani?
Arugamita na kiliko?
DP.
Alikuwa na chama cha DP.
Asante, sina maswali mengine.
Your Lordship, Kiragu Adhuta, I would have wanted to ask one or two questions, but the noise that is coming from outside and checking the time, I had a suggestion that we take the lunch break and then...
Is this still evidence in chief or you want to re-examine?
I wanted to ask maybe two questions in chief, but we can take a break and then we just come back and proceed. Because there's too much noise coming from...
It's 1:15 now?
Yes.
Can we come back at 2:15?
Yes, most obliged.
signature icio ciothe ikiga ona nĩ auga ũmwe nĩ auga ona kĩrĩa gĩkĩ banene no ndieciria kumbe kipenda inakuwa tamu
Lines. Petitioner, I'm told you have 219 minutes. First to third respondents 318. Fourth respondent 119. Okay, so the time is running out pretty fast. We are still on the petitioner's case. Right, let's proceed.
Your Lordship, Kiragwa Duta.
Yes.
I was to ask a few questions on examination in chief, but I've considered that I will not ask any more questions.
So you want the gentleman to...
We can hand over the witness. Yeah, I had over the witness for cross-examination. I'm always forcing me to ask questions.
Is there any cross-examination?
Yes, my lord, Mongela. Simon Karaoke Namu.
Yes, sir.
Where do you come from? Where do you hail from?
Unatoka wapi? Kwani ni wapi?
Getibori.
On the date of the by-election in November 27th, what time did you go to the polling station?
Mbenyesho wa wiki ya kura, tariki 27. Wiki ya kura dashira.
Around thaa imwe ribu tharia thaa imwe bau kana thaa imwe thiete.
Nilipiga kura mwendo wa saa 1 hivi, saa 1 ikielekea.
That's when you arrived at the polling station.
Baisho nisho wa Kinyira?
Asa na kinyete 6 na kinyete mbere.
Nilikuwa nimefika 6 ama hapo awali.
So you voted at 7. After voting, did you remain at the polling station or you left?
Waleke weke kura no enokire kana wekarire?
Ndiye karagune na enokire. Nina enokire.
Nilipomaliza kupiga kura nilienda nyumbani.
What time after you have gone home, did you come back to the polling station at any other time?